Odofo aha Adom TV. Na dwumadi a wo hwe nkranhye semre. Me a mete dwom a mede ho chia me, edi am so Apostle Dr. Nita Kotego. O fra me Nita Kotego so awon fom ye, meje oso. Ene de ye koso a dwene emra ya ehye nkitahodie ana odo ase. Abrabo a ye bu bibia be di mu bia na je se edi mra bi so. Adware wo ne mra. Empo adidie wo ne mra se be obedidie amfanfa hwani mu emra che so be fa wanum na wa wese aduane na wa amene bibia ye bia egina emra bi so enti nkitahodie ni odo so wo mra na enne no emra to so mienu na me de bra wo emra me bra wo emra ba ko me say friend the mirror law so show ani na bi sa honsem and your friend the elevation law. You see, in life you must elevate yourself to a level before you can join another person to elevate the person. We go into relationships with the mindset of elevating people to become equal as us. We don't go to be helped. Yen konkita hudemu se obi muame. Me konkita hudemu se me dum pempen so obi ameti wakasa eba na menim de, eba na mewe de, eba na mesikasem, eba na mekasa, me so me elevate me ho, me dum pempen so a metime ne obi adi nkita ho. You find the elevation law. Have you elevated yourself spiritually? You say utumpon ewo susuma fam. You say utumpon ewo kra mu. You kan wo kra wadwene, watenka ene wo pe. Se wunyam puntuo a edimu ewo sa bia ye nyina mu. Ena wo die mu honam. You say utumpon na watimi ene obi edinkita ho. Na wahunu se abraba ye boye onipa enan ewo wiase. There are those who will add something to life. There are those who will subtract something from life. There are those who will multiply something in life. And there are those who would divide something in life. Who are you? Me say, you one year, edi bibi be kan brabo, ana odo ho. You one year, obeyi bibi free abrabo mu, ana wodo mu. One year, obetimi ache wodo mu, edi bia mu obi pepepe. And one year, wodi bi be kan ho, amana abro so. Emu de na woyo. Ask yourself if your life can be enjoyed by another person, that you can have actions that will bring joy to others. And so bisa answer, my brother ameko boy, nkitahuna ameko di metimi ama obi eni age. Ask yourself if you are able to tolerate others. Say obi e bibi metimi anya abotre age na tum. Na mpo memba me bunfu. Na de oya enye no, ebe dia suahunu ama me nmienu. Ask yourself, are you able to add value to you and to add value to others? As you betimi de bibia kan ho, na de bibia kan obi ho na ayeye. And ask yourself, are there things you can avoid? Are there behaviors you can avoid? Are there kinds of communication style you can avoid? Kasebu wa betimi agemu. Eniyebu wa betimi agemu. We are single dey, wo na wona mu o. Ene ko da na nware anya hwe. We are single, we did now and some you credit di anya hwe. Na the moment I obi nya nkitahudie no, emre bi wo ho ma ho. E se wo didi kwampa so, na akoda so wadware na ho pampan ammo nipa na hwani mu. There are things you do when you are single, but when you become linked to others, you need to add value to your life. So to elevate yourself, find out whether your life can bring joy to others, whether you can appreciate others, whether you can accept people as they are. Then the next thing is whether you can tolerate others. Obi ane bedin kita obi ano. Obi ofri so enko. Ebi ane mebu obaya, abaya wa hi. Aso we jira ka say oh me dey we dey wa ye. Nanso you okay. Me jira mu asua de na me na asua de abom. How ready are you to add value to your life? To add value to the way you talk. Ebi e fe ofri mu what say sabe o ofri kro bi so me mo kro ni din. E me ofri me so, e me pesa. There be a friend who ninkita ho. E say wo hia kasede. E say wo nya ntoboase, wo buo ne suahunu. Na wo ne obi dinkita ho a kan, wo ne dinkita ho a say wo di obuo kan wakasa ho. E say wo di obuo e kan wo ne ye ho. Na wo di ni die mu obi a na wo so e di ni die be ma wo. Ebiom aso wo suban bi wa pese wo gya mu ana wo abisa ho. Suban ben na ekurami a ebetimi adi minya. Na empo atete ni pakura me nante. Kasa ben na me kasa me am fe se enye na wan kasa wa fifi mu bibi mu na waja no pagya ho akodi mpempenso a why your mama na wodimu na wapo. Love and relationships are for the mature people. Wodo nikita hudie ni nyina so one a wapo. Mature physically, matured emotionally, and matured spiritually. Relationships are not meant for children. It is not a relationship that you are going to learn. Adesua wo mu de nanso wo komo say wa dimu esipisita na kasa me so medum pempenso a me pagya me ho ekodumra ma bra body ani je bebre obi nyesa me koje afi obi ho ma bra body ani je bebre ni pakro no ma bra bo e de ahoto bebre ni pakro no ma bra bo e de ahofama bebre ni pakro no empo me obi a me wabojo kire se me ebuabufu a me hye me ho so na ma tolerate ni pakro se de ote na empo me de bia kana bra bo ho na baba bo etompon. If I'm able to examine myself to know that I've elevated myself to these levels, then I can go into relationships. Me say wodo nyina so ene se obe pega ho akodum pampanso bi a be ka say me so madu mapo ewo widie mu mapo ewo susum mu mapo matenka mu na me wa ntobase me de ani je bra obi na metimi de bi ba kan obi abra bo ho na edimu odofo ha na meja wo edin yam je so Nita Kotego udin obo anka mepe mate metawase mamenna camera for and a sound MCR lighting and empo me producer Randolph and a Weber Campedu ase wa wonya mrehwe me nsoso no me da ase wonya onyame entina
The Adum Adom TV Badwam Kasia no pay the Todwa wo mu bi ya wo betini ekokuma wo mrahye badwafie mu nso akye wadwen eye media budget no a photo send the betu dwane de honsam no ebeba na yakọ for bedi akire ohwe photo san ye sika sam honsam so akire mu se kabia wode de eye NHIS capitation grant enom ne ade wo makle ni nyina anti nwuma no wo mo eye ne gidigidi eno ne nsem bi na no pay mede bro sa Adom TV Badwam Kasia share live on Facebook/Adom TV Go TV channel no 119 DSTV channel no 280 bididi afia amankwa tamaklo afia ne die motie se den nsem ni kyeremu ankasa etie ekokuma wo mrahye badwafie ehunu ne se media budget no a for send ni ken for riata ebekenkan ye de kodi awuo ya ye economy awu kura pejani gina ho kura ba bi enyeyi ensem no Adom TV kase etoso.
Mr. Speaker, I would have wished that I have an economy to praise. I would have wished that the finance minister had managed this economy so well that I would be clapping for him. But yesterday he came and sang funeral dirges. As a matter of fact, when he finished reading, it was clear he was reading the tribute of a dead economy. And you want me not to say it? Mr. Speaker, the dead economy and the features that he described here yesterday was that this is an economy that at the end half year June was growing at 4.2%, but it will end the year at 1.5%. Why is he going to put it in reverse here?
Nenso ni nyina mu no oswafo hwo mai sika sam so abedi akire abono se yasare akire mu a edon kuma na ye na adwen se bibibia wode ba beto dwa no obehhehye bibibo na bi wo mu a ene mapa e wode aban no ebeka ye mu no won party kura
data and truth separate. Our colleague on the other side just mentioned that they paid BOG supported government with a stock of 80 billion Ghana cedis. Mr. Speaker, when you look at that report, the 80 billion stock dates way back 2 decades ago, and not now. 2 decades ago. Mr. Speaker, let me tell you that in 2017 to 2019, there was zero financing from the Bank of Ghana to the government of Ghana. It was only in 2020, because of the COVID, we had to go for a 10 billion loan. Yes, Mr. Speaker.
Then your software bed ya share wakasa wie ya bena osaya sare so ene sadia to dwa se ekabia na wo mo adedi nyumaku ahudo bi ti sapomdin se achiba capitation grant nom ne ade no ene wo ma yi saka ni nyina so ade afri ho Adom TV etwasui
aban so sign ka se ye hospital ye agenda 111 sika e wo ho no ye be make sure se 83 na aka no nkakra various stages of implementation ye be hwe na IPCB e dia bebia ye betua na no so edwuma na yeden etimi asanya koso ne etwemu nyina ne se aban ka se dwumadie se nia be ene se ne wiasemu nyina ye de no ye nuanom a omoye vulnerable any poor no obe make sure say a chunk of the budget aban ebe spend on nti hwe ne asempa ene de nam ewo NHIS say normally arrears say 3 months and ye tua arrears in lefi amaka 1 month pa ye tua wo hwe capitation grant ye de maye mofrey ewo school emo mutimi e touch up ni sanwa nyina aban so aye
enwachi osaika de to asese aban de hihye ye gu akwamu a enyumekwa wodo en sha aban ase a ewiase ahokira abanti wo mo adwuma akofom no wo beboa wo mo no atimi apagya mu biem
ya ye stabilize ya manioma abras no ni esese ye hwe ye ni ye 6 months ya kere se ye de hihye be ba ama edi mpuntuo aba impuntuo ni bi ni se ankrankra adwuma ebetse ye be hye mu kina na afeso so ya boa na megunu na omwo nsa na adwuma mpeso omankasa omuhia support se ye de boa na ye yi nkofo bebre free unemployment and market nso ya hwe so na ya ye ne sa
Nkoko Sports Stadium dwumadie bia mpanifo di si woni so sanko mo beye ye jato wono mo sa mene ya meka say de obi dia dane abrofuo ya wono mo edua wo mo abro wo so den Adom kase abapra ko etwaso
afempenu dunsia entobomo no Ghana mampanyi na nadon kwakufu ado edito omanfo wo nkoko anim se obesi Nkoko Sports Stadium ama wo mo asabeye na omanfo behunu se odi ne bohye sunti wode ho contract ma obi a ohyase so woye enso obi nim de ba ye na contractor no eja adwuma no ekoye ne senti watchman ya wo no na ehye adwuma no eso ede park no ado abura sese wokọ aburu na esisiso ye nti omanfo wo Nkoko enkanka ene wo mo a etai Okwawu United Football Club no echi ebuafu yie pa de woka ne saban emamaye Sports Stadium no ema wo mo sebe a Okwawu United fo betimi enya baabi ede aye training na eso beba mfaso ede ama wo mo
ye tete se stadium no obi adokase adua banchi aburo any body and ye keka ho na mi bisa se enti ahemfo ewo Okwawu area ha ana ahemfo o man hene nso wo Okwawu area ha
ekodo asase na aye afuo em se ye de mpanifo nim ho bi mpanifo nim ho bi obi mfa second wura stadium no mu se o de kodo afu enti mpanifo no so ha no se ne na opani kaza ahemfo no eso on sore ejina edi se stadium a obi ye no so obeye so onye no se wudi akoye afu ye be da abu nipa akofo se ono ana de ma wo se hwan o nti ye kwawu ahemfo no
wo adwire me nnanumre meko park no so amakohwe me de mani akohwe bi pa se eyampa se yadua aburo so de ya de metwa buru nyina to agu me na meka sei
ti yes ni ye ntikitam ye ntijame first fakra ne timi boso bo mane ye ne kura de sabi ampe kura wontimi mo no so mane ye yi nkwala kura bo school bo kura wontimi mo so mane ye yi ne park no afu adane sensan bdb aburo ne banchi
Adom TV Badwam kase na uso ehwe ne yetoso de makoye nsam fofromu na osofo ohwe Western Housing so Francis Asanso Boache ene wonwa pa opokuase housing project no eho entoma ye befira asie na wombota ye panti mo de sanhyehe na kopokuase eye wonmu a ewo fom eba sikasemu pa no a sabe ya sa housing project ye betimi aboa won Adom kase etoso
Mr. President, not only that, the project makes provision for safe and eco-friendly spaces for children to play and grow. Recreational facilities such as football fields, tennis courts, swimming pools, as well as commercial spaces. By this, we strive not only to meet the housing needs of our people, but aim to create a model community that embraces eco-friendliness, supports local industries, and adapt to the challenges posed by climate change.
Omanpanyi Adedanko Akufo-Addo kasaye mu ewo Pokuase affordable housing project site hono no ene wo kire ni nti a aban esi nketi se obesi adan se de be Ghana fo dodo na ebetimi atobie na waye efiera no.
This housing project embodies our dedication to prioritizing housing as a fundamental need of our people. Statistics show that only a meager 5% of our population can acquire homes without assistance, while 60% require support facilitated by the state to access housing. The remaining 35% of our population will not be able to access homes, even with government subsidies. The support required by households falling into the 60% bracket comes in the form of supportive subsidies and policies and competitively priced mortgages.
Nanso wanyina mu no ekokuma wo mrahye be fie hunu ne se aban no mfa ehhehye paso ene wode akwaje saa pokuase asase a wode ebeye housing project no owura Samson ahin kane no yosofo ohwe abede akira no ohwe Western housing so ene hunu ne se aban no mfa kwa enye se bia wo mutia edan no aban esie no nemmom kwan no fi se nanano makasa se asase na nya saa no wo mugye yeso wo mude ye munsem Adom TV etwaso
Kaneso afua be de akira no wohwe Western housing so Samson ahi e de atuja say said de asoye show mensi kasem so enya mfa sika wode be share national housing project no ase emaye nanso aban e de aso akobofom a wo ko share pokuase housing project no ase no emfamra kwan so Kaneso afui ene ensamtrofuo enkomotwetwe mu ene wo kire mu say wonu modom kuma na fa ne de enya se wonfo asa adwumadie su ne mum wo kire mu a ehu behia se aban ebefa emra kwan so no wadi se adwuma no.
This particular project is supposed to be laid in Parliament today. This has not been done, which means the EPC agreement has not been approved in Parliament. So if you have presented such a document to Parliament for approval, it has not even been laid. Yet we are there cutting salt to commence work. What does that mean? Is it a slap on Parliament? Is it a disrespect to government structures or what? Are you not surprised that we are supposed to take this EPC agreement through? That has not been done, but we are rushing to cancel.
Entini nyina mu no nananom ne adehye wo poku asese emfa ho se yetwa ahoma mu so wo ba besie de wo mo beye bia na nokura da die na wo wanya won sase ne de wo mbeye
asase na nkasa no case no wo court e wo court a ye contest asem no e wo court enu ntina ye ka kire president enura say sword no emanum be kati sword e wa asase we isu because e de nyoma bebre beba but yati say o kati sword no kromfo no ko honum no ene busuafo no ko honum no omo de police for intimidate nkrofo na ma amachi afia ma hini mu ni nyoma na ma de akọ police station
okade to aso say aban hwe se de odi asase ne ye no obi owo kromo bia ebenya so emfaso
yeah lawyers any yem paying for omo arrange omo ho say fitrene ekosi tama yen ye be free asase no bebi a ye be fa bia asase no be ba ka ebusuan no ensem no e be ba ka ebusuan ensem because ye nim say free titi no say Gold Coast abrofofo no be di asase no enye nkruma time na ye di asase no Godisberg mu time e no be di asase no.
Adom TV kase na oguso efhade de mo koye nsam foforo mo sofo ya ohwe interior so Ambusdari se won mo eye nhwehwemu asewose abato mpesua so 23 July no mo soup bi abambofo ye wi akire abrante ba ko to na nanom nse do no won guso a eye nhwehwemu won nsam no ho Adom kase edeba Pacha ye say yenya sane no premto breka sie ne nsem ahodo ye de bebro ye de mo konsam foforo mo na ye si August bosome no emu a da uba ye body afa ye breastfeeding ho na enra da ye won mo adisuma adwuma no sonko amene kwade wo de ato mema nanim won so enye won famu de bia se wo mo ebe hye ma ne dene na emma tumi ama wo man no fo no bosome nsia said she no etie mema ne ntama na chi wo sa kwan so Adom kase ediba.
Nipple soreness is one of the most common problems, but the baby is well attached. The nipple should not get sore. So in TSS, mothers need when you are breastfeeding your baby, you have to position your baby this way so that the baby's gum is not pressing against your nipple. Apart from that, say when you have nipple soreness, another problem that can happen is breast infection. Your friend mastitis. So some mastitis, no, but apart from breast soreness, no. But who say why shikakra ana awodo ana who say no function no emba papa. But all of this is a problem with positioning and attachment. So when you have a problem where the hospital doors are always open, bit me aba na you know akasa.
And Enrique and Cynthia Hagan are Deputy Director of Nursing Services. El Kolibua Baya Resabia, and so they are the so. A buying penny phone in any muse, 1 year she said the beya, and mamma so were no more a war, will be to me at your paternity leave.
I say, I will for no. Dinache se bear man so can nti bear man say no se oba no ewie na boso miensa na nka okọ edwuma no na nka bear man so ebeji leave emre bi ama se oba no okọ edwuma otumi chichi enufo no ehye fridge mu bear man so betimi ede ama akola no ono so atoya so na je se ono so de ma akola na se bear man so no anka ono so agi leave a owo fie or this edwuma nti anke betimi aye mra bi policy bi beba aboa say e mema no so ye bema won we de be kan say paternity leave anke no so beboa
Bayan twansam no so mampani abedi achi enida kwan se wo pre franka tubre YPP amanyoko no mo na ne wodo nsem bia todwa akire mo so wono e wa amanyo nsemu no wanyemu nimde ene ba se yedi nkunim wa amanyo nsemu nso a eno so abene mu pa nti no ne delegate no hwe ento abai ma no se be ye obeye kandini e wo MPP amanyoko se franka tuni
my running mate 4 times. 2016, 2020. 4 times. And just say, meaning form. My changing Ghana in 4 elections. I know the ground. Party no are marketing me across for over the last 16 years. Every election they are running me. And yes, sir. In Kurubi and Ghana, Dr. Baumia, I say and yes, sir. What we are Dr. Baumia experience to politically.
Wasan editor delegate nenim se womo hwe se ombeka omo abom na campaigns ahodo a womo ebeye no womo hwe se metiu makao ene yeye ka ho no womo yimfrim
for election 2024 ye hiam kabu pa ye hiam kabu etina mimi ya be campaign no me kasantia obiao me didi obia tem because when he said ye be campaign here you say na ya kabu akwa pre ajitumi yeah the real enemy
Adom TV Badwam kase anopai na hana bema kwan na yede asia seda no ya odia umra ne adaje a woje ye ede ehwe ye rade mfa wonko mfa umra asumdie mu wo online so akọ adomonline.com ansam no ebi wo ho na Facebook nso a Facebook/Adom TV yedem live wo ho say go TV na wo ba bia wo kro no a 119 channel Adom TV she na DSTV channel no 280 da bonkrata na ye krado online so nsam no ha se benjana na so o manhene anopai yamu akwaba Rescue Commissioner bibi aboko
wa oka voice go yoma kai the no regional secretary friend say kra chairman MPP or forestry see from they make say me kai oba interview pasa
Nti akosi sen.
No na 94.7. Meka. Odresi pa ode bia igugu ni nsakama.
Why for mu?
Me da si ba ma men kai papa wa akofa forest commission by. Me kai ni president.
Na ja kai na de de asemo.
I don't know general secretary.
Na ye de.
Oh.
Ka sam kronti a wo kai no.
Yeah.
Okay, nti no all kai ni nyina no. Channel so say agudie mu nsamo ha ho sepe e wo ho health tips no so ebeba asemidi kan so e wo ho e na fe yen birthday celebrant no so bosumi erade di fie ni bia kan bi mu fie ho no so ye de bebra mu na fe mpense mu abawa kwan fi sabre ko sise no nkono ebebo apa mu no ya dofo papa bi esre mu ne yentena na Adom TV ye wazoye pacha wakaya na
men kai ba kai complaints na doso construction na koso
kwan no de chale
complaints na doso ba monti asenso say it's all go through a certain level of inconvenience in construction
yes nipa we are not compliant
you can say just you can say ye kwan
kwan do mo ye
kwan no mo ye no unfortunately you should top brain no mo sa ye kwan eti unfortunately you should top brain ye kwan enti you should top brain be compound the problems are cause wo kwan so enti it is an appeal to the contractor say at least emiane bi wo ha cars na fa na because me twebo no ateche from here to here no eni pa kro any shame wo person mo cross over no
eno ye problem
omo mo ko adwuma abubu omo mpabo anu ne sa na ana mo yesa so it is an appeal say contractor no ye kwan there will go through an inconvenience baby or avoidable into the obetimi aye kakra bi ama nipa bi no mo tesa bia ho no e che na dey abedi traffic so because now me am this traffic move over 4 hours and I'm say wow because abo peso let's obi mpeso be ko abo peso ana omo so cross so obi tisi atechere mu so awo so ntimi fabrika kaze
na me ka be na
obu be fu no because so so twam you know until contractor e besra mo ye adwuma no de ye ti ase se o ye adwuma sa ha on kitikiti ba ha on bia ye hu ye ne de nyame ne nikure ni emfa ade ambotimi ayi sa ha on kakra firi ho na afi ya ye nam sa kwan so ya ye fa from ye ti she mu no so ye hu atimi ahare na afi so utwam a ye careful yes as drivers no o ma jam kwan na bom no bia fa ba bia sa basa di
we fa ha na we su hia
u twa kwan ma me o mo twa kwan kwan ni hia me titu nkwada nketua na ide o mo kosu kwa na pa no u twa kwan na wa nye careful bo na moto bia na abobo ya bia na ka kese bi afi so e sha kese no assess too much this year. You know, assess
the way essential. As a near year, especially a casino.
Assess
all the way in any crowd. And some point the way I say, Nasa car, Bakukra says, imagine. Anti traffic and a quine and penny for Munye. One way did you or Quano Honsono. I'm a summer Hono Musano. Almost when you're careful, my because they say, Abba, it is a woman, Papa, and Car. They can't be found any pencil to one. Oh, this year or Honka Fras, MC, because easy crowd, what's an idea? Bambo Fonso, ye or dear, and who said the Omujina when I cried, who's on my bread? Oh,
you see, as I engage in Mebri, means we Saturday from Kufu police, and they're from community police. Almost Kufias and why a Kufia Japan. Why?
Bambo for Jumana Eddie.
I say pom blue for a pose for no. Yeah, I want to be boy, but no, my brother.
Oh, no, my brother. We are near. Sometimes I'm relaxed. I'm more
Ghana no Ghana come on here bono. Bibia be fine.
Yes.
When you know munu bibia be fine. Pakacho bibia ni ho akwa unhu se how na yi wa kwa ofa so a we say how na free wa man for one hare omo no. And for a good manager and a leader. Ndi e pese ye nyina hu se o how ni amane ndie ebekoso no yatena. Na mum ya kan difo ne yankasa nso no. Enioma ne hyehyɛ de begu akwan mu no ebeboa ma se how ni mpo ba ye ho ba ye ebe hare kakra ye ntimi nwane free sa ne mo
ye me say bi sa highway like emi say free suhum na wo kwa pedwanom ne hosa o sa kwa no so bi mo atutu no empenifo so omuhu
say maintenance on the road for the past 2 years. The last time I checked, for the past 2 years, and I think still counting, road maintenance there.
No because I'm running more
say sikasem. It is and also real for the past 2.5 years. I think 2.5 years.
Because road maintenance,
road maintenance nankasa sem no I sikasem no a problem. In fact, oko here foot to nim cry in terms of road fund krana sika dem no wa obo mama ho eti enioma bebre ho no ma sa nka siesie koso ya akwan no so anka the level of deterioration in terms of akwan do na no
anka ebeba form because amana no do and so to ye block it enti we say wo so every pe wan hwa wo so every
so to ni pa bebre so to ni puni puba na panyan na sie ni
but in as much as say
bi suavo ma aye hu bro so
aye problem no mpedi fo anyo kwabra me
moto we twa hena no so we are over
ufa say moto we bi mo traffic pani
aye bonchiri ba
enti dey any problem dey sika no way sika ni go way
the last time I also checked that road minister so ma koji sika so be from Japan be in 6 lanes enti eno so almost na me aduma maybe but if before the year ends no o measure say jumedina say ni nyina mu no e kasa until say you be who say and amontubi koso that is how I don't make actually era sense boachi the ya wo mkra no ade betra se na me interview no kosi senso asemba ko kan man wo say obedi akonwa as minister no sika e de be man so onfa nye adwuma se so ogine
well how many years in 6
so obetra so be 3 years so say attach ya ko
okay so wow nti ya na we sika no we
Oze.
Sika no way.
Me dey the medical bank. If you be omo dey di.
Na me dey maintain e me bia se o.
Onti ase say amamu. Anti di ba bia na abeti ase ya amamu. Say don't go na common fund nkwa oti ase. Sika ya gigi no legitimately. Say ade no yate the source. Say sika no dey untimi me excuse bia say enkwa assembly. Is dey bia da no.
Ya de ka.
E ka wo. So legitimately so the ka a quarter na say 2 kwa normal. Ba ebitimi afimu na dube ko na assembly for no da me pa o twedi
wanya bibia ambusi no ho a bi kura ba chine
ko so yetua mo ka de ya na ebi no ka ne se de ehyi o makoma ne se o beba betina adwumam na o mo antimi anya hwe ama Ghana na imom Ghana isika esi akwa atwe ne yesadi ebi wakoma papa ama Ghana ebi jibusu mi aketua na o hwe adwuma wa ya osugu ni mu se anyway se me gidie ba dear pa na metima ye and that mindset is so good you know but we on ma ebegu a no for
bebre
na we bebre we kwa me no do say se mo na mo se mo ma menye dia me timi nye effort bi akwa
de nya boso me ne be so obaje because e nwanwa pa say a whole working hours ho yeso obi kwa yi
to dame
Tuesday wo yi
se hwini ho
if hwini wan ka maba ho a me hu just say
uko ayi Maybe a true card
ideally.
Maybe a true national Ghana card for. She know where you. I want to us apart from.
They say we are young una.
Sikani ho. Apart from prestige now Obeko bank na omaji 250 and 200. Oko omadwuma mo ankasa. In fact the omo yese ne omo a omo tro omo din akas na abego dada. Nti kwa na omo hwe so. But apart from that, it din tro bia nko ojukwa no pa 8. Otra ho 8 na ebo no numa no ma bag so bi
no
uguna a very key because mo nu ba bia adwuma no mo ye no omo nu ba bia kra omo wi a maybe Africa no be ko Ghana ahia hodo mu e wa amia hodo akọ abo enu no ti ba bia seems to be breaking down and that's the problem nti yesre mo amo akoye mpanyimfo na maya kanifo mo na mo ship minds and thought no mo daroma nyoma ni bi o wa e bro adwere ne nti ase de bia da o my way aje obi Kenya na wansa suppliers no ma Kenya mo na ye de kakra na no da me said a doctor for bi susu omo health one of the health ayini bi no mo so e ka say almost.
I say my me dey abind obi aka. Serious, but me dey e ka abind dey be a won tria because dey be a me dey me ho example say me work kwasitwum hai. Na bo so me kra ma me ma so be issue because I know na dey me koba. Nti me imagine one more 1 year ye ntua wo mo kan. Nti wo mo ye dey no mo live. And then nipa ye shimrantie pa kwabena ma no podie. Sometimes we be nyo obi a.
Aso hye no kra so.
Obemma obeche obi na me ma no dey wo mo ye bi kra.
Aso hye no kra sa ko gina edan so rent no.
Because Sekwabna said a Juma, ye bibi ye anka rent kenye problem. And nothing American dia besi pokiasi die ya o makopa ho to manso.
Eno asenso e bae. Manso bia ni ho.
O dia kwaba. O fine, o mo asema ba dia me kan dia besi so ne say.
How does he?
And na me kan ba besi so. What try affordable da so de.
But o pay studio apartment if $20,000.
Hey, sorry.
It's
a Ghana $100 now.
No, or the CD equivalent. It's who how is it?
Yeah, here no. Then went away. Better than graduates. But don't
we any say? But had the mammy don't we any say? Omoni ankran for din komo no musa hwa ankran for dwa no. Se sa dan krana no o de ko ankran so okotwa. Ebi nam 57 47
me say nya ankran me expect aban ne say
aban timi so
me pacho na ne say de ne yekọ eti say wa wo ba ara o manya wa na ahwe eti sana kwa mama me kama say de na me ntiase
aban timi nka se chinchin a o de ko $10,000.
Me kwada me nka sa aban ntompo me kwa me pese ye beto me pese aban ne nya hyehye edan a wosie in such a way say obi a we graduate bi obetumi afford bi ti say dey nansan no omo ye minim so omo atwa so dia sa rent no se nipa betua kura no a eye edan na mu de wontua but electricity water any maintenance bi what so wodi ni sikatua eno na wontua aban ni sisi dan singing room self-contained won ware ye ye betumi ayama saafo no na se nyame ya adom no wasi wa ware kwan so wo wuntimi ntena saadan eye se wo move out ema obi a wono so afi no was starting abroad wo so betrem wo se it's about time ye sa share no e fa ma ye
eno de
it wo sisi dan affordable anso anya affordable to obi a enne dan bo to me
you see the
edan bebre kan man pani kofo breso edan na wo he e bi sisi muramu enti
Saglime, Saglime, my menchiri, my no me the buy.
What I bet you, Master me, dear me person me cannot pay ya say. A binding sissy dying and see ho. Who we are, Ubi beer send a Ghana card into Ubi beer was so yes, we are Ghana knee. Now yet to me, my way, singing room self contained, and your wood dear. Okay, my
menchiri didn't make us a bad day, sir, by bay.
Oh, a bad day.
Says Saglime, for instance. And on besides, and I've not Saglime wo. Na moza kusi dan kwa fufro
bi we nwie ba kwa na ye kwa fufro
na de okan ye say Saglime sika na sisi kuro me nyina no for dan kwa 5,000 units na ye $200 million sa $200 million no omo ko mu no na se omo wi dan kwa no 8,500 and no kwa at various stages omo wi aban tena se o cabinet no ana o se okay sa dan we dey ni betima ye wo omo hwe no na apart from said that no we na scanner some and in terms of drainage in terms of kania into omotria ba no over $100 million into omo dey accord court and no achi e wo court no omo dwene say ankura bi beba na omo be fa sa project but ankura be fa dia a free affordability because ankura be fa dia economy
dey make nyina no me no enu ba bia ba me kire
dey do baby enyia pa say wo dwene dan ho dia nipa bi ni ma ntimi afford $20,000 e dia na ban betima ye e dia mo
dey me kire ne say o say dey me make e dey benye sika kakra dey free dey omo ba betima omo betua enti ye na in batches in kakra wo kwa kosi 500 whatever unit a dozen it yen started me nya sure say 500 ni nyina bobu te sa ha 5,000
8,000
me can in general say 100 kura see you best start kakra say 20 ne betumi a ye be mani pa betema na ewo but how no your problem ne say ye jani nyina gum enti adwuma bi a ya ye dada nka wo say nipa benefit wo mu no wo mu ntimti asai drainage no ne ade nyina ye problem a ade a no wo ma ye dada e na okokọ no ma ne nyina asai enti ye say disika foforo anka wo say nka di move no ye de yes drainage ane niema bi wo ye o mu ye nyina nkofo wi ne nyina basanke ye ene ye say oh okay sika na sa ba me anya be 20 before now ye be ma ye ton kakra ana ebeburu ne betena mu a sika kakra ye benya no ye betimi de atoa de aka ne so but ye tena wa ne ye twen hwe sika no na da o man plan o man budget say sika ne say ne be so ansa
nti na court no say ye ka say agi 2 million
but when me 40 obia ade democracy no ano
one democracy bi no why wo wadwene mu no ususu say your targeted group bi won ma sebi omuni say sika ne bi then na ban betimi aye de aso omase na aboa sankofo no ti say wo free sa ti bia nim na say wo call the next level in your life na wa say okay baby amedu no market ya na adwuma me ye na betimi de makosa 20,000 bia ne mu na makosa nti ya adwenkyira eni tusi ade aba but the here ne say biribia da ya hyedwumade bi asese no ibe wieche no na so akonye
say be hange ho ano ni problem no we shom ni ejai we shom ni ejai
your contractors inum your Rehoboth your Dev Traco your Frank Paul ana wono sa wo de mo na ekopesi kara mind dia wa ya ne say akwan a efa ehonum no asase no ho so de no nkane ho ase
public has a private sector na betumi atua ono akopesi ka ba de so de be
ko de boato no ebo no sha say $20,000 echo. It is up to 2 bedroom. And so on, open 3 bedroom, and so baby.
No. Okay, yeah, from cleaner.
There be but who say government is unable to satisfy everybody.
Men cast wants to at least
every day. Because I buy more money. I buy to me and can say we cleaner. It's ginger some year diamond cleaner is not possible.
Metias now nim obi a cleaner but nenka e bi enye cleaner nka also you but who chinti no dey was start free ho be ya sem na make say baby a court ne koro no kwabena nipa bi wo ho a omuntimi nu ho da de bia kasefo no na be fa
de bi omo sa de hye aba hye se Ghana card ho se kwabena santi betima to miensa san hye na e ma kwabena santi ntimi to miensa because who to back a udinu I reflect to all the contractors no on platform obo create so say be busa say snake nko adan onipa ba ku kura be edu no because o sika e ba say na say botai ni kura na o de to adana ayira kwan enti a good conversation on the ban e be twi nipa o mo manage situation at this point they say say o mo hwe ba ko mienu bi na e ma nipa do no o ma target
because some people are willing to
omo be bo 30 years Okofi oni baby afa obi adwuma 40 years Okofi oni baby afa so I understand where you are coming from
and say nyame ye wadom kra na otimi to one land bi kra no so ho manso wonai tin kanya bad say ban na nkasa a secure na sase a wo si dan anka memetimi akwakoto ani bi kanya bad kanu de yasomadwe na say be ma be bo no ho mema ne bre wana ebe cheniska obi ancheni bi ye de bia me kanya oh betimi attack kwabena sesi betimi age but be me bi enye emfa because be ma no onu ni you go in chese say also okosesa de bebre sa nti panifo
mo we so mo na lighter note na see you bi na the young mate be ma testing na onfa young ni oba bi ni gina James see you no so ni joba and oba na sha say or test e wa see you no a sha see respond sa
what you say
it mo powerful nje say mo ti ase sa mo powerful e bia say okenye sa go so no be wie koko
oh kasa de mo no wie koko bia ya wo say o ye wa nyenye koko da de bedada enti yenyina no so na ye fence
every professor Obati wanim kakra emuna enya de papa eno interview sa di ujumedi na no enwumre da no bitie ni nyina coach of free Nigeria questions abusa ni nyina bi wana ebufu busa coaches team backroom staff partner what when you African team and some abusa na ebufu yi betika no as me fa ka no kwashe game pagata but me jibriti is a professor Ike Wallace wa being unimde oye oba yeko
Adom TV so Adom TV so bejo jime die so dia o kansi mo sempa esa kana no pensu ja me dindi Enoch Kwasi Wolanyo Wallace agudie catch back up the only nomenclature professors degree in sports the Alregina Wallace the nation's presenter and mesim kunya econo quantum coordinates model esa kana no pensu bio e wo Ghana agudie eja o kachira busuafo na hofo oyere oma wo fasefo na mu krum no mprafo ina se Wallace anya ba ye de nkomo de e wa kansi mu 18 saba sheno so mam se Richuku bomodin adasa on sabeti ansa ka bi anytime bia shop bia bomodin da se Richuku betia wo nemo betia boa e mo start with the right way e Ghana kuku pa ne dia Richuku na tim sampa ezi de no aye dokodoko aye fem ana afi so aye ni kenti bomodin da se onsa e betimi akabi na fi game park limited phone pay for e de hyehyɛ so nkwatian saba fi sa bere kodu hujima e betia boa se san o sika dwetria ma so etia be de for bomodin da se o de betia sa jim mesraw okɔ e app store no so na hwɛ game park limited mo enso hyehyɛ so kwen u betia akum na afi o so etia sa download kama www.gameparkgame.com na fe so wetimi e de hyehyɛ so kwetua certain time so *946# na fe so all networks so sabetua san come na phone pemfo etua cedis also na hyɛ so mama say numbers no 029 easy to play and easy to win nobody beats our odds e Ghana ha team so wodu hujima e ade a eni hwemo de bia da game park games no more mula more power and yedi one dance dem game no regulated by the National Lottery Authority na fe so uni mu fe ngotwe fa onyim bet diwa ya wadwene betia bomtia na de adwene kakra etua sato we mu ene sponsors a omota kira bo mene no penso de wokensi wo sempa esa ka no etimi ejao yen sha sentem paso emfanfi Chris Hilton Black Stars of Ghana coach na me adoma enche bia no Ghana ehwenim se ye de akensi ba ko betua saten tam so de aprapra modwade e wo African Cup of Nations e betia ba so nesie no na ode nkomo kakra etimi se eja efa sena ne ma besi akọ Youth Black Stars of Ghana coach and ordering come 18 Saturday senior me adoma obetia so to nyama ye your last game we born September boss we Central African Republic for and this case in betia certain times so hwe nim senior me adoma obetia peja Frank Canadian kunko na Ghana ya qualify for another AFCON betia Saturday e la Côte d'Ivoire na omo e born na ne senior me adoma otimi gia Ghana ebisi honi for statue kese pa e de CEO e de amano na e co-minister for youth and sports so aka chi amanfo beka na sentem Esipon Sports Stadium na honsem kakra etwense piuni na se west na nyama Asia Kwanes Stadium no omde mo contractor fo bi omdwumedia omde etwense ankwani omasa de ama contractor fo fra obo adwuma the minister for youth and sports honorable Yusuf Mustafa eboy komo sena project no esi echo
on the Sipon Sports Stadium. Yes, what the finance minister said was for the first phase. The renovation works once again was done in phases. The first phase was above 90% complete, as the finance minister said. So when the MP of the area raised the issue, we also responded by indicating that it was for the first phase. The second phase has been given to the contractor to finish, and the contractor has since moved to site. And you all understand that we needed to go through some procurement bureaucracy before we get the contractors to move to site. So we've gone through that hurdle, and the contractor is currently on site. So be rest assured that Esipon Sports Stadium will be completed and it will be put to good use.
The Minister for Youth and Sports, Honorable Yusuf Mustafa, Nathan Council, my update on the Sipon Sports Studio with me Sampa, Ghana Infrastructure and Bibrewa, Ebua Kanyura Miti, shared himself Kumbia, so Betia Resource State in Nabua, Emaniama Etian Kuyi, Edia, my Shanus Mam say, my work up on so cause we are Fanina, a man in Yabrepa, Portugal for any US 90 minutes of soccer fiesta. The scoreline was barren. Ubi Timian Pusunyo Quantana, Vietnam, also Transima, a Netherlands, Holland, former Ekromeka, and so Omentimi Antina China, and so Transe Emma. England for a day association football by no etwamunsia omte Canada ko na for Haiti omso transfer Denmark for etwamaka mienu a omo antimi ante omutwumedia omso edi enimu na yede kakra etimi sabre onyame adom na matches na etimi santo so uninterrupted Argentina beton South Africa Sweden na face South Africa Nelson Rudla Mandela Maiwa no omso any Italy for the Apostle Panama and France for the Akins in betin attentam na for Jamaica ai taya taman omso ehwenim se omne Brazil for ana ebishi hyesi akan e wo dwumadi a won so 18 cent dinimtia na wa hye ne so de mam se we ma World Cup no so 18 cent to fam wiase afena nyina Ghana yentimi ankobi enamum e ma aka no e bo modern park game park limited madama won the games na 18 cent ba Mr. modern da obeso de for dia konya na beda we se obeto chacha na boa ma so 18 cent kakra dia boa ta so fisa bere ko de download game park for hye no nya wa aye wo tablet na se computer na se phone na akọ aye Play Store no so na watiansa www.gamepark.com na fe so wetimi edon watiansa gym star 946 hash na all networks obetimi asanya na watiansa to no see kama Mr. obetimi choose from numbers no 0 to 9 na watiansa choose easy to play and then easy to win as well nti bomodian da chale e na fa ho gym se be betiasanya mula ska kraga kudi cash e dia boya ta so Mr. nobody beats our all Ghana and if it's able koya na kwakai se Game Park Limited chacha yom dia baidie ebuda ho amanfo twa na dia so na omu edi bo motianda so do ho betu san game park games no more mula more power and ye kan wasem edi a chirem so game ne regulated by the National Lottery Authority and afei so kwa oni mu feeling otwanya de betu san bo obeti so anase utwa chacha ya na odi adwene kakra etu san to eno pa ho richuko Mr. obesa no reshi day now start today right there richuko bo motianda so sabetu ke be renew energy no afei ma vitality ultimate start day right richuko made from Ghana's finest kuku and you didn't dance the amount of so nutrients good for the body but more than that some sabiti can be family no ubia ura baby na set can be oye shopping bia now your breakfast bia ka say richuku betia sabomu na boa emaniama etantutu ye the amount richuku no affordable bonne da fam ubia betia santo bia oketwa e wadentem ane wo befuno ha ubetia santo bolo bodi bia kwesifia and your rest messy kosa onum bina the bc near mam so richuku customized everyday nourishment na and you didn't dance the amount so ananum richuku na enjoy richuku na start today no right with richuku way the Ghanaian way and the design share some ko 18 san jaw entimisel bomodin ada sound sabetia kabi in a Ghanaian way and e kan for richuku e dia ma we mo and sponsors e mo tuturu to ne twetwe twa na no pay the woman touch the boy ema edia okensi wo sempa ensa kan etmeja wo mesoro so ana ke hwe nim se yen sabetia kan Patrick Osaje my countryman songo na wode ene so songo steak no etimi aba na so na homa no tweko ntenya dia nyama ebetia satotomu dia na ebijamu edia my sister Sandy be a guy in fact in terms of entertainment e Ghana dia obi entimi ne mami monkomo obetia be ginam dia man but still sister Sandy be a guy e wo de dwumedia ogusu edimene nkomo no ya kan suri ne kan su kra no no dia kom ene mu nchichemu 18 samba bomodin da ka kire busuafo so bia metra TV no na sister Sandy bi guy edwumedi ne ba untimi no agese bia tafro abatwe midin de prof ike wala sagudi catch back open abjiremu and of course evidence based representation timi jawo erade entine ma onyo kese yifu bia da soni no fa nko bia da so the act of being a good guest is to know to say goodbye.
Amemu akwa bebiem from Adom TV Badwam so de edu so no health tips and ye de ebro free duada no ye de nkomo bebre ahwe ema yasimu anasa kwan ye befa so aye betwe ye ho free infections ahodo emu na ne so ye hwe kwan a ye betwe ye ho free infections no emu ye hwehwe symptoms no enemu ne ade na ne kwan be ne ye fa so atwe ye ho free mo se wunya infections na kwa ye resabia entamu a eboa eyi wo free or how be a infection no ebeja wo so nene ma yenhwe ade baako Mr. wakoso ekuma ho no ya bo ho no mo ye eban mame ntichiru ani se wo be ye ebi mo mahofu bebre nti se efu bebre sa na infection bi baba ho no ma edene se ne ko no ebekọ de wo hia ene se wo be yi ho no mo nya ho na wo ba ko twa galaxy wo ho ho de so yie ma ne ba form se be ya ene ma bi emuamuo wo bi a yemfe ani ehunu no esan so watwa so yopo ne nti no emua bi wo ho no mo kro be yi no de free ho nti hye no so Mr. enyina wasemu ho nwie no da bi ya ta yi because wo bu nsa onse sa moja no ene mu ne ade kekanka enwi no mu ne ade a etime de emuawa ahodo bi ba na infections ahodo bi ebanti ya hye no so efa ema mesa so ena hwe se o vagina ho so ubetimi ahohoro ho yie ohoro ne hu hia me yie pa ema yakwa adware a yesecha ye no enye samena na ye ne pukopuko di dware no eya ase ho hia pa me doctor ba akokora de kan senka obenya nkansuo no half bucket wase ho nkoa ubo ho nsuo nkoa emfa ho se nwura inside ho eho nyame asiesie ho no mo dada a se bibi ba ho a enya wono ankasa yi ni nyina afiri ho de ba eti sa wo de wonsa ekokowura ho a wo se honom mesre ye morre no a ye gina nom ne ade no ye di fufuo ye di banku ye tese fi akwhye morre no mo enti wo atwitwa morre na wo de wonsa ni wura ho se duchin wo yiyi honom ne ade na wo yiyi wo ho ye siesie ho dada wo hia sa wo de wonsa ebewurawura honom bia hwe se ensuo kroje ubu so se pale na wo ewo bata house ho a wabubi na ade agu ho wo hye nko se shawan so a uyi a na ne ho ubogu ho bu emfa wo se nwura ho wo de ade a make hye no so fama me 1 month and now de 2 months emfa hwe nka ho mfa samre bia nko ho na de fa nsuo nko a wo hye on se man ye yi na ayese mienu ataban mienu no sa side ho wo hye ho nko a wa obehunu nsakraye a ebeba ho de ama emema warefo no nso mesre wono odofo di agronom ne ade apese wo de nsakwa akosua no mu a sa wo morefo ani die mu anka twitwamaye ana sa unim so no ne medi agro bi etesa no wo hye wonsa emema ne bi nso ani die mu musu mutimi de infection ne breye wo yasemu ho abra wo de wonsa kokonom no enti girlfriend boyfriend sem no mesro wo ne dofo ne behia ye make sure say ya wash yensa ansa ne ye de yensa akoho emfa aduro bia enko wasemu ho mo amononom antibiotics bebre no so etumi so agya ye infections ahodo enonum aduro bia doctor trauma wo enka say afia nya infection okoto aduro we enti aduro amesumanya bia mekwa akoto bi ehuro bia ko mayem prescribe aduro no emma because ye hunu adekro pote say ye yeast infection and as bacterial infection ene hawa aduro be na akwa akoto anom enti me nonum aduro bia keke ni anidi ye fruit no mu ni ade didi ye ensuo yo ano papa first na ka be ye num ensuo na clear wo system ni mu o bladder no mu so on say kidney no o washe ne mani mu nyina nua mafia ye di nya no wasone so na aba befa ye bladder yi mu na afi aba befa dwonsotwa no mu me so say infections bi ewo mu a bo ansa na wakwa akote num nsuo na clear ye system no mu enyi yi infections ni fi bia free mu wo num nsuo mu no na clear sa nua mani nyina so e di free ho medofo si ye didi san hye we mu nyina so a infections pa de ene bi no so mahunu mate so o mo share andis andanikes no o mo share no enya atade ne yetime share ba wanda ni kanom ne ade de share yesi parent ni me bi o so o mo ye anuafo nti no o mo share no andis de ye share mo me share no so mfama ye na fei ensu ototoi awia ne ntime mmosa nti ama ye panties no kre ntime dry de obeya ne so wo de iron ebeto to ase ho titio na emu bi wo hono ma ye mfe ani hu a iron ne heat no etumi akunkum mo nso e de amaye se ye sa na ema wi a infections bia be ka dem mesro yenye na muaye ne ma infections ahodo bebre nti esi awo ho kwan enso na bia na problem ni ho na ye infection bia one treating tia enti so hu discharge bia enye normal se de no am keka ye aye neti bibi ngongona bia ko hospital first ni en diagnose hunu infection crawl ya about so ye hunu anu a eno ani Shannon say health tips ye de bebro adwoada de kosi fiada bia ye fa topic ba ko a ye bebo mu a kosisi ye kwa kodu kwan ye be treat ni nyina so enti ya na de hunu me nyame ya doma from next week ekro ne de ye ne apomuden panifo no so bi etna se na omo ne ye de nkomo bebre enti medofo se de wagye apomuden ho nsem atom na wagye onu aba afia manko atamakro ne na doctor fo anesefo atom nti e na mesre se wo badwam sonso nyame ya dom panifo apone kakra de amaye se ye ne apomuden ho nkomo nti dwoda de kosi fiada no nsia bopon besi madruo no ekwadro no num ho de 5 minutes ne ye no wawie nti medase send nso watie adepache yen ya obete foforo
World of Entertainment and some way che good yes fata wani no asum ye de bebro e wo he ya bejuma ho tepa jumadi so ye beda afia mankwa se health no e aboma mani no masonko e beboa pa me sure so nim so more kra no nim yesem fe rasi ho ni nyina Dr. T and I de bebro health ye wi nso akwasinsia mo so to so but ye drew so die entertainment time. Master Adom, I ready, Amami. Mr. Quaver, I ready. Sarah Parry, tell me, say, oh, we not time, it's just a man fancy them bro, yeah. Meaning the Sandra, or him, I'm a 2. I do mean, I'm Adom entertainment, I mean, Tigana food, she me, I'm a guy, no. It's Aquaba, na young consum, so. tell adageni ho adageni postokra tell efia e Ghana dwumtuni abaya ne yade nini ede niema wo ya wasem the last time ne nkofo debate or Hit FM ho say ya ne toto ti asabija kanye ti asabiti pen no nti ade ntina abaya ne mfo na wone Whiskadijo so koye adwuma me kire Whiskid oni R2B smo omo nyina sha ade na sesa but as a Whiskid ko perform ni ade international stages ni ehu afia nkofo pi bisa me akom bisa me na me si se me ni afia na ye adwuma sama mu bisa me die enti ono ade ni nchemu aba ni enti international stages no on for ba ni se Whiskid bagana wone ne ko club biase pa de ye kan ne be chele ofo ade na ofa wonko enti mo me yankoti ono ana nu mu nsem ni enti a ye mfa no for international stages also darlings. There have been some statements circulating. I would like to take this opportunity to address these misconceptions and shed light on the truth. Also, first and foremost, it is important to clarify that I have the utmost respect for Whiskid and its incredible talent. We share a mutual admiration. Tell me. In fact, working can be my working can be my master school course for site, you know. And some of the watcho be na watcho. It's also respect man or more friendship, collaboration. However, it is crucial to understand that being an artist, nese watcho ekosa o hema nchemuni doso. Wa hu ye bisa samba ko percent nye nsina obagana otimi no kwa club ekochele na okọ international stages no. On for question for the gods. We are 88. It also thank you once again for your continued support. Let's focus on the music. Celebrate diversity and create and positivity. It's no how to focus my wadaroma. It's a that Jenny Hokra or more try to say ya what I can do create woman over patramano. It's me be so sister Fia. It's a Whiskid bagana. So still no only club aqua chele. Ana eti ate eti no we nyina ya bonneto for so bia ndi ni fiasem so wa full stage so one full stage no enye wasem hia ade wona atwa neka it was so bia ndwe ni fiasem very beautiful girl a very talented girl enti no also focus bi yes you focus bi na ye nko ani na ensem a etwagu no eno no yet waso a woni bibi hwe bibi ba real quick. Now,
the beverages used to be the biggest sponsors of a lot of the creative content or creative experiences in town. But due to regulation and also their inability to get the full scale of their benefit, because today, even if you promise them media for the experience that you're creating, they would know that they cannot get the full extent of it because, I mean, if it's an alcoholic brand, he knows that he cannot be seen at a certain time. So first and foremost, he's not actually even getting that. So they would probably zero down and come down to the experiential benefit that they will get.
It's in some way and somewhere it has celebrities be because Sana Sadiq Kano. Omo eta sponsor celebrities media be creative arts no ba fa de FDA for the buche mu amose mo bia anye mo habre pa ha adwen. I think we should have a look at it again. Now omo mpese omo ya alcoholic beverages no omaje na a Christopher no so ahwe ma join afa awa na ekoye nim sa etina Sadiq one hwam we Joy FM 99.7 round table with Kwame Dadisi Miami fearful into big shouts to Mungina celebrities. I'm saying Sunny as Yama Munga Hamu. Already no probos. They say what the money actually lot of one. No bet ni lot of one. Yes, I'm Munga saying what the money Hamu. So much adverts no much kakra. We na new swing na here. No at all credits are good so. But I mean still no mutiminya akonya de share music videos more. And all that. Let's look at the positive side of it now. Yeah, quite Abaya, oh ham you. Mammy say, oh ham you. And some the doors so we say, you know, what we only pay but honestly speaking, Mrs. Sandy and family who say, you know, me many can answer we can be him. last time I said you'll be anybody on one lie. Your life, your money, your choice. Me jina heya me twice is late. Me na me kwa. Oh, unti I not tell me say me producer be steady. Or the ashem say ma me say wa nini pedue and all that. I don't really care, but me sure say Ghana fo be fa mo kakra e bi mo mpese mu hu. Unti o de fato so mami. Or him say wa mu chi. Oh Jesus. Everybody. Wa mu chi ma akumawu days. I mean, esa na you feel like I'm on a case because this is about the third time she's appearing in my stories for body. Oh, hima, minimum she was by idea baby, my make cry. Omuchema akuma wu days ya fa emfoninu before and after and your pet. Oh, and that is their concern, not me personally. Again, I don't care. But you know, somebody crazy. Hey, Jesus! And I can't need Jim no. And to bet me about say. Jim no na aye na ahye ni nipadua ne se no so wo ho enye obia na ne nipadua ye fa wakoye bibi enye omugina na timi sekan enye obi kwa na timi koda ma doctor etwitwa no so be careful y'all be careful enti wa hema de akeka ne dia na waka fa ho I mean knowing Sewa from Kumasi Kumawura, I think she had a body na npokuane na niema no so kakra etebia o nyini no eno so ni nyini eno so wo ho but think na ohema ye wolai wa ni padua de besi bia ye wa wolai what I say munya ba ya no living a life but whatever it is so wu je bi say we ya wakɔhye Edijina Jim ho chinchim don't be bia social media you can actually do this for your private life nya de but what the better social no so hima wa me yakwanya se yenka bi it's about that social media. Yengine ho social media. Obia wa sekire. Obia wa no ye wo ho. Nti yeso be kakakra. Ezo de kwaso agye me. Why? Ya do ba manya me. Ya kan nyina hyanyame nso na bo ni padua no. Enti se wan so body nsensem. Aba ne sa be pie. Na hwan ni? Ya samo. Momi anto aso. Ya to aso royal wedding. Be koso ebe koso wo Ghana ohema ohene wo hwame anope ya pe ba bi te wo aduro bi anom na ti be yo ya be di konkon migusudi Mr. Quaver migusudi like this is the Ghana royal wedding, you know what I'm saying na wedding no abane sa akoye hu ye nua be ma wo Ghana ni one man down woko abaya no so a foreigner na ye kyeremu a brantie no yo ohene ye be si ne hene of royal family. You're seeing him create the twins to say ta of royal family. Na sanya omoya de no hima yempe para ye start memory ko yeti e be ye ja it's an royal wedding e be koso no Her Royal Majesty Queen Vicky Lexter Beatrice na mani fofo okan so was again come on wani and I will be a royal wedding wani ya royal prince Alvin Okan Abusia o man your royals yada masi bebre Mr. Quaver one say wow what a fine class you can yada no Rabba Misu Kotobako this is so beautiful Ghana culture displayed very beautiful ewa abuchimemu no mary ho no msabe piem kotoka y'all the real G's it's a weekend we G obia pepara kakran shana yas baby obia pepara shane bottom because social hono eja dem omu besu na ni bibi obia edro bia nka dem esrew weekend wo bibia postpone because near banani ehu and you invite me oh minister opare tell me say yes emra into about ko coverage no they didn't na abramo we say o man your royals the royal wedding Ghana culture it's abusuani weekend you be twa go no you be mama big shouts to all gas o fa and tell you te yo juba ehu akra be de na sister Debbie so ye ken wo so abonyom wo sister Debbie abonyom so unim de otimi ya uncle Obama unim de otimi ye too risky poof they say that the other abakra de wa family no ama ɛna wapɛ piano esi nkyɛn abusua mami ntwa me ho mbra me ba in fact mami mo nkyɛn we me kwa yɛrɛ ɛnyom no kwa me so pare pragia Wednesday born is Equia. Wednesday born is Equia. And I'm playing piano. Equia piano. So say there. Yate, you ever find a stage job any day? Ya ni enu ano. Ohun so efe. Je dia ho fa ne ton nyom no because na how name say Saturday morning ya ma. Ya ye ho efe ya na ya asemu. There's a saying some mo ho efe pi na no ya no me ka ho tinya hwe. Ya be fa ne sa. It's what you release all the tum dia. Madam Obi ankotie bi emfa emame. Ye be boa no ne dia ma piano no. Apo mame na sara opare ase. Kunkum bagia ona na kasama pragia. Mwa bisa se ho na kasama pragia sara opare ne be mo de atwa na to TikTok e dia mamwe ho. Me twa me ho aba me ba more special package man patron sorry me ba sisia. Emma wakwa baby me ba bejema ho se pejumedie so when him say word of entertainment here jeje ho ne ade to aso a na me koswe ka che say slim tea ne bi wo wate me wo products be bring me stamina me scrub me body cream 78 me pimples dark spots ne ade the guy soup upe bi akọ Facebook your page and DM me but just a DM away me respond but me who say me num slim tea na me so te me who say kofo ni je won say sasa me say sa Ghana aside ahochire wo no kofo problem pa ne so mo so bete it ma ba ma mo ayi adwuma person hu say adwuma hwemikum ayi kama it no so pe bia bomodea 0272818536 0272818536 Atia Herbal Tea produced by the guys it bomodea ma wonsa enkebin na afi minyi ho na menhia madofo no ye ne eyo ma woda 2nd of August boss me high August Bones Rock. If you are born in August, stand up, then now. Come on. It's I start to ha. It's happy birthday. And come Nana Kitichi Apente. Adanse Dompoase. But we didn't register them. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. I don't know. Do too. Pia Nana on kwason. Nana. Mechano pebe bia obi Nana woda passion kon koma. Nana num nyina kabom emo awoda passion ko golden ko nana kititi apenti adanse dompase happy birthday blessing benya also sweet little cutie happy birthday darling we love you so much happy birthday and come a blessing you are truly a blessing
enti obi bia oyo si akwan to Ghana puntuo Obi bia 1% Ghana be ye. Enyume no di nkomo. No. We are chasing all the crazy guys out of town. Medidi akwesisia asebi di kan ebre na asum yiri so ho eye. Ale pa fa chia kese nkoma asantema nyina wura. Otikru ni krawe homa so. Two-four or say to two ababio. And now none of me bo din say ya. Me bumi mwase. Akwa hamentuma atume sabe nkum so imena wo cha wisa se. Akura bibia boko de. Echi akese aso nko emfama autistic kadwete akonya so. Da sibre osebonsu ya otoso mienu. Nana mo apiafo onkwaso nyame nhiraw nana no ntonkoso ma wakunya ne wahenie entre nyenye kese kopem sebe kese pa alapa smechia asante mampo ade hye nyina alapa bi gina asante mantemu eti efri mi gina asante mantemu na mi gina Eniema bi ekosuo kumasi krodwe ni mu a sebi enye na yetenase ya hohodi bibia kora amanyosem ene tribalism mu a emwa Ghana kanko ne Ghana mpuntuo before that my more video bi fan kireo na me wi a mento akomo no so ne ye situate komo no for bi ansi be bia also ogina hwɛ video way report way yɛmra sie hwade
ensha came for editor pragiaso somo emma adum kejetia alaba Dr. Mensa pampaso ene bia hodo a kaka ho e ho no ni nyina so nyina ene se ne be na ho emmom peso ene ntu no mutu sa anamo no
me came boss ya adwen ese se ya mo boundaries o mu si baby
just last year boss efemani me ya homache mrika na akwande odi be wura kase kana na eno wi
mama traffic no esimo
o izu ka kra no mo di be chika ne ade ne eno na ema ne ehu
bosumi ni ana came for eka se enya de mama Prague akwan ama na ba CBD bie mu nanso besi ne enya de omatimi aye amanfo pi e de atu edwase se came kan sebna so wantimi anni so a wo kina bi ne e won sunsanso wo mo nsem a wo mo beka so
ansa na mo de nhihye bi beba no se mo di kan tena se ehu se nhihye na mo de ba no e be bo yen na ye hye mo ase no
na ye se ye ne omo ka se mani kwanse ye fa biem o se mo pay station ma wo mo no mo timi ko e ko sha ho se ne be ya obi pepra go betimi
ye hyem na mo ma ye ne mene ni ani so na nya politics nsem so na we fira na mo yen
city mayor eye onunyamfo samoba
bi obeka se ye engage no bia no ye trofo ye chia kra no ben premier sampre 9 ye no mo groups no ehihia ebinum se wo mo nti nti aye ni se gidigidi no de ye nkom nti ene copy fiada na ehu a ye betufo sign ko menyese ya de be church wo mo assign engage wo mo further but from next week Monday no de na any police ne wo mo fata nyina no na agina mo denden nti so far no sa na asem na kse
okay etimpacho asantintintia nyina eni sobekaya about 2 to 3 weeks na me di komo about Kumase efin ene Kumase bon ya ebon eho Kumase krodwa na achi akantam so aba ene se unam kagetia ubepim nipa besedu asere otimi ates ba bi akwakote tie Pragiafo Komasem Sampan Shinpamfo Komasem but from the assembly yenim se betu sa anamo we yenim se be ma anamo no awie payo na owura Sampan Friday deadline no eni achiro na oguada na de chia ya wada na de chia fia that ye hwem se anya hwe kura na list ye mama another grace period ko si Monday yempe another story because the chrome ye say I was see ye Pragia for free chrome yen wo obi adwuma yen se obi adwuma I was see ye Pragia for no I was see ye omo free chrome come yanka ene kokuma se abwa peso sa Pragiafo nemu ase enemu sa besi yen se obi adwo basi wadwuma emma kromo entia yemfo sa adwuma ne so meba Pragiafo so mate se mo nkrofo so rezi issue bi na ene kwa de airtime munya sa asem ne ka yemfa sa ne ma no entity o man meba no so but you see baby o how no ewo ne ye say assembly ne je toward the free amanfo na etwi Pragia ewo Kumase ne nkyɛn amanfo assembly ne je toward and uji toward any free bi nkyɛn ya ne wo kan ye say o recognize adwuma na wo ye no to o recognize baby o gina wo ye adwuma no esa assembly so ko na akɔgye wo toward any free Pragia for enchenya wo beka to semichia to e na wi ma free hanom ya tinasia ye hwe dodo e na akosoma enkrofo si da si ba bia eni kwasesie se location of business enka ho a enko bi o dealing cocaine betimi akɔgye ara kase pacho me dealing cocaine betua me to ba gye ara enye because adwuma na wo ye no eye illegal it's hoji ni pane to dia na wafo adwuma ne baabi ote ye adwuma ne so Yes, almost say Mr. Sampai. Oh, Papa Muso mu free crum. Tibrebro Mantina Tim Kakapa or Jetuana. Our city planning, there's a challenge. Planning of our cities, no, there's a huge challenge. So the issue question, see your money about call a year zoo nechi. That's okay, call a G side one. No. Okay, I just say it's a church of ones who cry as one work and so. And if a man force in yes, as one can say, and a UBC G or better than Tiaba. Nipa no se Praga and to me and mustache one more over Praga. Yedi ni se Praga eba yinanaka eko ye hinterlands. Baby a cars and ye accessible. It's a new site. Because of the mode, any nature center, a Pragiano TNT, I want to movie any acco. And then they say you have a Pragia edgy chroma can tell you. The Pragamia Locutabia to Quanche, Sanama 40 Trotrom, and a taxi mu as aye. And on the job what a soup paper is some Kumase, but to one put them one who are a who are they? Are they? See ye Praga for the front ma opening some pine. A man for the men Pesebe Quaquaye, greater courage minister assembly be. Because yes, you are tete and penfoa a dimu, ye can be a woman, was santimantemua, Pragomato best 50, and you go be a juma. Ya tete some penfoso, and I'm so cassa, but we don't want to believe say no time yes extension, no, and you have you want to. Yam pesi ade be tine ba beti se enkrofo bi sabotage sampai it went me enforce san hye no said the greater Accra regional minister kind of Peace FM some time ago so no nkasa party krofo anamotu owotu aboa amanka kroja fa to apade fa the party fo nkasa sabotage no. We don't want to hear that story. Aman for tamochi o take microphone na na oku denche bo no mkasa no o mutamachi force yes o mo na say su Praga no but the real Praga na makumasi kro no action no just ufo ba bia nya hoto near the true near the sha watare bamba tu ye kan say nso a station masters na mo use record cars ya tetia pansam. Ewo kumasi abonti somebody agi stations I can tell so no it is time so rest some pine sarcasm ya so be the free system nim because it's a man for me cry for totra na yam hyehyw o we ka pa e yesu se kwabra ne nkwatrem ka pa etwa tetanus A2 straight etiripa ne ahomemfi ne amememfi ko for Praga because Praga de anya ekwa de mo no uko Mustafa stations sir. Station masters and a sarcasm atitia pansami a yomudia. A tutu new canal deba station master Bekato say station name macabre on ma or a car atitia. Utre one is Tuma. Because Yanis as a month when you say Pragiano, Nebuano ever for more, and one switch so at least, and yet most of our trotro. And yet most of our trotro, yeah, them come as a monteso. Babina Pedemic Kenyan Sampai. A santiman and ure a show. Sikeja a tawachi. A mass santiman answer and see form. This issue of people are sabotaging me. A man for now you see a quantino, yet to be implementing a certain shape. It shouldn't be part of Ashanti development. And soon can project. It's not greater Accra regional minister. The then action money around for him no. And then what can be to qualify him. What you say for? Because of Maswa, the party Nina or Nina was say yam one and Nakufuado. Then this one didn't intimate me. The party Nina they say to try and because of interest and your interest, interest of mine, personal interest and no. To the regional minister and Nesebi, the canon what to Okasa and ye. Utimi twana mobiem because utwana mano wa Europa. Ebi also nye can say o best sacrifice na djuma wo ye. o se nipa de onya adwuma asem o ya te no be ye din no atena ho sampan we don't want that thing to happen. You see, one I see them up to Friday. You are engaging them. More the kind of first one, more the kind of second one. More say about twasu biem. It will see them up Friday. Openly, yempe greater Accra regional minister story ni be. We want story say sampa be ye KMA boss no. What was see ayoyo. Amena ye kase. Uko piem ewo kumasi kenyetia. Eye pragia for no. Ye yi omo afiri honom. Omo se krono. Oma kron mu ye time. Kron mu ye time. Men ka se mo dwuma ne adwuma bone pragiafo. Men ka se mo dwuma mo ye na adwuma bone. Ba se adwuma no emme kron finfin. There's a reason to man pended akofo epenso. Ye share sem. Wo abeto asase wo enkran airport bia no. Make sure say who sit to a certain standard. Se ye ntimi trase ma yo kro enfinfin enya pasasa. Yet me trust in Yanisa, a whole central business district of Kumasi. That's how we could do one more and Yakono. Bola, do one market so Sapa on the the speed at which a bola and sumo Kumasi Boteso and Yahumika and Yanika Musisi Kumasi Chrono, na Kumasi Asantimai any. Frakuma pem medika kata mu amato pragia no mu amato 50 ni 75 no me kan wa wu ho munya sabu de pressure be kokoto sampan so sama start ya munyai sama start ya munyai. It shouldn't be for your personal interest. Yen kasi waduma mu ye no enye, but pragia can be in our central business district. Finito pragia entimi omo mu ye pragia no ukwa eni omu business district o. Any cloning fifi, there's a reason to me a pragiano. Yenya pragia from a 2 clone fifi say. And I know by na Temamoto way. Ya ya call at least 100 kilometers per hour. Na bobo ya namso. On namso kwa na kwa namso di kwa kenyasem. Wasua border na border na saso no. Ese pete egu kwane so. We ni epe no kure mu ana. Sampa ye ni show. Ye ni ene show. So di osie ebe yo. Na umma another story next week. Amanye kwa bana sante atena se. Se ben no. Se nyame asum dwe nkan.
Enka nyina me da se pa kwasi. Ze dem say a Ghana Journalist Association Award no. Omo the category beba. Okay. The patriotic segment no award no. Yeah. Say Basadia they should consider you.
Medase.
And decorate you with an award. Say your level of patriotism and love for the country it keeps soaring and it's very appreciable. The Medase but Pragian common there. You know, I had to say motorbikes in common.
Yeah.
For instance, when I got the privilege to talk to Felix Kwachofosu, and it's coming up again in their manifesto that the NDC believe that irregulating the front of Pragiano is still relevant and very key. And this is a conversation out there about Mijidi said all the needed stakeholders, i.e. the Ministry of Transport owners, almost representing interest, the Finance Ministry, National Security, all of them should sit around a table and relook at, because it's in our laws, clearly, Pragrant mean to say, I'm on a to know. But Bribia Danons or minor, said the SCR treat your mind, say, Adieno, a shall say, Boba. In Trason Tamana into us yet. Yeah. Near Jai Juan Afia Bejinsen. A ginseng we are now a political tool. In the Pragia for over maybe I said 30,000. And not quite enough concern to let somebody win a vote. In the Obia Obe Quaco touching Pragia for Nomosaba, Yan Pragia Users Association. Yes, it's all Yan Ultra Pragia Mudia and Yan to Abama. You know, so I am to Abama. And then the day of my mooning in a. I will do some papers. We go be anywhere. or person or just for a year or 2 or 3 or 4 no eja no ko iti on to mama na you know sell mine the any sell man na yen cause on to mama sadia that's how we have treated ourselves na nka moto ne pragia emra wo hododa afi na pese sachire mu a ne ya se be sachire ma den se ba emra hododa but the political will to ensure say amra no be enforceable no and they abedu sa eye empempe so yi mama nua o say bonsusu akwaba
okay
and do friend obi mama akwaba yeah Elder Philip Osebos Manakwaba onyame ya adoma wie o take over the city so ewo ecosystem so ewo asempa nti wo hwe bedwam wie na wo hwe songo na wo hwe Adom TV enema pae na afi wo wie na wapagya mo na akoye radio no so ewo anopai dwaso nsem you can share wo hwe dwaso nsem with ayi nyame nua ba abena pokua ne CJ no na wa balance act na ba Adom TV na wo behwe ni so ade akwasinsia na oman ne kwabna asante na waye nwa pa na wakowe songo pa na wakowe eye obi enso we kosisi nti e chose even your platforms wo hawa wo ankaza ntimi nja ba ko nko ba bia wo bia aso ko
ya katari
ba eye busia ba ko open brofosem so ene na joy 99.7 odi asoso open ni gie nko ane a wo se penso dia ene 103.99 no so odi pianity ko non kono pepe mese sa hyebre se man sa hyebre kwa premoto a mese sa hyebre no nsia na masa sa hyebre enne onko down da enne obegina brand e say game park for hyehyɛ eno ada madam for lecture bi ka chem say omo streets ni kwa na afa ma no more to try 3 streets na enne na wie kama enne na ye oda o akina be mesume da the game park for other Ramadan kro bia ye call life national lotteries for wono asoewo ekodisa nkomowe ya be kwa twa ho aba na afa ye ba lawyer eye Kojo Fojo is my special guest that pay Mekale Kojo Fojo no kwasisi le Kojo Fojo no tire wuda be le Kojo Fojo is my special guest but ye crowd so was abia we ya Mekale say ene ye papa ba ko ye ofa ba ko lecturer ba ko politician ba ko businessman ba ko kueni ba ko watena se enti e ma kwa ba bizi bia kama okay e bia wa ba e ba komona na ye sha se ye da obi bia se sa oguso a wogibre na wo hwe na otie de ekoso ma menchia ye kuma wade hye and be masafo twene ba kodia and a new member of parliament also mechiao ana adehia wo so kwa ben so ano pay me da masise mo hwese ye intimi practice an illegality in terms of mining ewo kwa ben asase so kwa ben adehia edamu nyina amase na menchia afo fo nyina so ahema ewo ho nyina chichu achire so hema anafi miamedie number 1 and 2 machia mu nyina so ahema ewo ne ahefo ewo no bakacho sa afu ye kwanim say under his excellence Nadan Kwakufu Ado any Supreme Court judge ne ba kwa be kan wafu enti enche ye be outdoor no big time who be juru big time kwenye easy na yasanya Dr. Frida Prempe and any NDC amanyuko no so consider Eric Opoku as a running mate alongside Julius Debrane or Zenato ne ona kanyina enti onyame ya adoma ahafo onyame ya adoma ahafo so the likely will say benya a running mate from ahafo no yenkoso mompae yedi abam no kra no en monyam hye enti yenyere yo
wana amamu information
Uklite akwaba
munya
ada ahafo no wo mu na ye problem na
not really what I'm saying is that
so allow us the space to speculate.
No.
Allow us a space. Oh, they say Nipa 4 na be frontliners no.
No frontliners no when na.
Nipa 4.
Preferred
candidates as running mates for John Dramani Mama. It's out there.
No about out. No, I
don't know Omami de Soko. Okay, not done, but he's done a bit. Why be? be. But we share the history of NDC. They so mess up for the same running mate.
I'm off to me for the same candidate.
Well, I don't think the mammy the obey me.
Oh, so mammy no. Who said one person who use feminine with the buy?
No. But still, even with the considerations, as a natural is count. Or running mate partnering. Oh, it doesn't change them. That is the politics for you.
When this is politics.
I think they'll settle on her midterm with an appointment. Remember, because we remember because you allow the MPP to do their flag raising. But constituency come on. So don't need quite challenge.
Hey, everywhere.
That's all marketing
serious. Everywhere. In Sionokra, Asama, we have a problem. From Akusi, because it was Yana Fish Akusi.
Oh, yes.
Akusi, one of the oldest towns. Our Ghana Hanu. The oldest hospital. Prisons near Dinina. But you're quite terrible.
Okay, Katia will tell you for one say, KNUST, so Omunya would tell because Omo Kuntokwa.
When?
Omo Kuntokwa, and to Omo postpone and almost all the other.
Postpone about what?
I know about your own sense of me. In the fashions of Pimo, Bruja Jelfini, Pablo Ni. Fashists.
Well, but
so appeal to them.
Some of them are misbehaving.
Oh, I see.
And I don't know. If you are my friend, maybe I know what is going on. But I hope say, Monsuma Jabin Gugum and Kokakazama started Pablo anyway fashion. What's that here for?
But see, the fashion is not the problem number. The project every fashion. The Pablo fashion. To be a vegetarian, but what's the interesting thing?
I don't think that there's any issue. Recently, we're organizing very brilliant programs. And it's
Dr. Baumia
Ale udi fufuro no.
Yeah.
They say do fi walwale. And I say
Dr. Baumia.
Me kura
me here say we are part of a year
ni bibia ni nyina bibia say ye ni me competitor and his excellency Jomama Baumia so na bit me etu no Dr. Baumia na bit me wi ni against Jomama Inti my claim. I don't want to be because me can't answer. I tempted. The way I see it, I tempted.
Oh, Debbie.
Yeah, can also
your mama born in Dintina.
Oh, that's way.
So how do you feel, your mama Baumia?
Well,
that is the case.
The point is that the person whoever they bring, no.
The life you say, Dr. Baumia.
Well, let me say now count.
So they resolve the party.
I will free. Some your poster. No me catch you say. When you are dead, the people say, "Bit my Dr. Baumia."
Unim. Paul say Ghana Hanu no. I me share no.
Mienu.
Because Ghana for the okay. Ghana for the year cast that you dey
What is Central Region?
Jabi Adoma Shinani is Central Region.
So if Dr. Baumia can say, let us all be one. Now, you rally behind ourselves as a party person. Because it should depend in area.
It has been part of Dr. Baumia's message to the party people from Greater Accra. The first constituency of Koya was to East. That has been part of his message. Because of my unim Dr. Mahmoud Wabi, I don't know when you're and a bano ahobrase na ekon fa so de normal. And his position on all of this has been said, I can see the eba nipa na kokopre. Nemum you should make sure say in our engagement, it will be issues based. Kadienti a ofi say una osefata se obedi party nedim. Na ye party for no so hwe na mpape mu aye den amba because ultimately no ye wi akensi here ye nyina ni pedu ni nyina no mo chitafo ye be kabom na ye da kofisi NDC and his excellency John Dramani Mahama nti it has been a complete feature in every single constituency. I come so far I Greater Accra in area. Yeah, Ashanti region. Yeah, Western region. And then China, you better wrap up Central region. If you are near Eastern region. And throughout the campaign, the message has been one of unity. Is what they believe say kai hu bom na ye dey adwen ba ko akoma ba ko as a political party echo the next elections. There is no absolute way His Excellency John Dramani Mahama one the performance may be worse than the past elections. And it all depends on how we put ourselves together as a political party. Me, I'm a believer of contest. I'm a believer of contest. And that's why anytime I'm in engagement, even with the NDC, I believe say yenka some city. Because my nipa wants some yenka no. Obi kwa kotoba because otensin yen effect. So obi wo kotoba because me tietia no anything. Nje to le bia enye ntokwa ye beko. Of course. Ene kasentwie be kanu ne ma nipa no okwakoto aba na tie wa na okwakoto ma. You know, and see the best thing to ensure say ebenya ekuo ba ko ne o mind ba ko in one piece no. Ene say ye be ma ye kasa no ho ate. Na yetumi ama enkabom na wo ho no because ekuo de the understanding is say munyina madwen ekopenkro. In terms of principles and ideals, any philosophies. And see, Kobase be a quack case, now you're the Cassentry, Cassa and Honte, any idea, Esana, and that's been his advocacy.
See. Next stop after Central.
Oh, because you're the Eastern region.
From Eastern.
Because you're the Eastern region, yeah, all the 33 constituencies. And I'm just so far, Dr. Baumi, I pencil the candidate or every constituency. You know, any party for
or running alongside official duties.
Yes, he's running it alongside. Oh, okay, no aba, no abi eduma. Okay, no aba. Now don't forget to say on the road, you know, so eduma. And say, we saw here commissioning of projects be even in the central region. Yeah, inspection of projects in the central region.
There's a thin line between abusing incumbency and then running his private. Focus.
He understands. He understands and he acknowledges it. Anything over here, your campaign, you know, it's a basket, see about white round. To make sure, say, that fine line, a fine line, I agree with you, but to make sure that fine line would be, at least there will be efforts to remain on that fine line. Because whether you like it or not, there is nowhere in the world that Omanpeni and Omanpeni Abedichiri, elections, I can say, elections in T. You have a draw. State protection. I know you are trivializing the issues. So long as you remain the president, I quite saw my opinion, John Dramani Mahama. So 2016 elections, any 2012 elections, no. Will be Uncle Kase, elections, it will be a sad. But the cost of running war campaign, and then the cost of making sure that we coordinate war campaign there. Dr. Mahmoud Bamia, yes, sir. Entina, ono, say Unyaya. Uncle Tuka and bats and one go. But security for to send my penny to mama, even now, as as a what can I say? A month I say, Juma, or my penny for and then the cry, or my penny that let me use very well. Tunica cra bamboo for bedding, everybody home by whether he likes it or not. And see, that is otherwise, I can say, or could leave in swab bamboo for the sign. Because living here for the private way. Okay. But for the campaign, we are using the bus. We are running it based on donations and contributions. Amount for Edemaya, we say your launch short code *202#. They mobilize the resources to support Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia campaign. And so far, me say Mr. Ryan Machebe for me be a computer na me a drop aside. Be contribute 1 cedi, 10 cedi, 20 cedi. 1,000 cities, 5,000 cities to support the cause, and that's what we are running on.
All right. That's it. Okay,
certainly. Many Bibia can. We are there now, because you see him. That's a no yen for. Now, one found when you see, Badam for Ohinia or some good deal of ball as well. Interested. Yeah, we'll be interested. And we are interested in everything. But Mechia Mampenin Dada, our incoming president, John Dramani Mahama, and only members of parliament, share very good interaction in the morning and Sana Eco Parliament. All the indications are very clear. So, come what may, Baumiao, Allah know what about Yamitia Sidi in himself, John Dramani Mahama, and I'll be the next president. And Ramiti say, Binukratun, actually, Ababio.
Second coming.
Yes, of John Mahama. And you know, Michiano.
The victory of the NDC
is coming again. Na Anketom Airport. Also been catch also Chiao. Also Chiao pa. Na many aji say Sisi no Dr. Mahmoud Baobia obo say politics no anya very civil. Intra-party ni intra-party and inter-party no nyina say civil. Say hwe na nsem bi wo hono ma yenka because they say media space no we there the obeka bia no eba bebo akire one day na megidi say hwe de ekoso a omo reply wo ho afi omo call for truth no some of them no ka ho akana o ka ho no omo starting e kan say ono no ko kan say friend say tama ye Supreme Court ye hwehwe Allah no mu nyina adwane ono no ko akoye ono ko ano ko ono sa no kan o jabu tema bi ono kan ono butre no ena wasa go ke bibi so
o my stop you no abone ye ma komo ne ye de dia waka no yo bi aka no kai mi na sa
onu ko anse o kasa otimi
o de bi sa on de o bene ne de
David waka asem wa o si ono ne ko kan asem
on kan asem sa me
o so ko kan asem
o kan asem no man Supreme Court tama wo mo hwehwe amon for be dia dance wo Supreme Court na Allah no mo ne wo mo ma kan nya dwane they couldn't find them o si where o si
okay it's not true so I think you should
and ono kan
oh my it's not true so correct him why
and then he can for contesting wrongly but
okay no and contest wrongly on car side
what did not car say ebere bi suya na epenipa amoma ko gina mu
wo mo gina say wo mo hin
one form
on kasa
o kasa se no so no wakade so on form mo gina make catch ebere bi suya na party ni penipa amoma ko gina mu e wo court okoe en o ko boss afode no and onipa be no kaza
omo ka wo se omo you see ekutia
awadu ba ba ko honorable nipa yetem ba no pe bi o sorry papa you see awu ke bi abedu mu
any said your so
na ya ko ya no mafa ba omi enko
they want to prompt mu se ba omi ade omo enye kra mo mfa
no we are not no
and you are excited
we are not choosing candidates for them. The ambassador they say whoever they bring, be it Alan, be it
but yet say what do they item you pick on, pick you?
Well, because no faba.
Because can some guy.
What kind of normal about me
he hasn't said that. What you're saying? Nyama mutu chat.
Say Kwabena Japan reply on no maybe okokan
okay so yan ko kan home right
your party no blast yen
you know Ghana
yeah ba that's why the conversation is still up again this time
but you know me the American say I would plead with all of us in politics no my we do intra no my manager buy pray say no more civil chain inter no
okay
because at the end of the day million Parliament he say we disagree to agree but say when it goes beyond that no and on issues near there na ko say ye ho and me fa okay so be pese uni nipa no be ye ba ko ye bibia
na
ketire enu ni bibia e wo ho no sisi
okay all right
ya dwe ni here and it is not about just intra but it should be inter
all right so we could try one by Mbappe to en common so kwaba Well, Edamina, to come on so and say 20 minutes after 8, I Badwam on Adom TV, multi TV. So, no, Kono Pepe Macau say game pack for Adaroma. It be national lotteries for one I saw enough yet. Mako din komo el honum ediaba. Okay, so Persia bottom top approach na on this housing project. It's so dear to a lot of Ghanaians, especially who said your deficit in about if you want some. What would you know? I'm paying a pound to Mano, or Pocason. What team won't send me? What share or my paying didn't you? What just a gleam ho at the accord to us at the force? What is our see? Yeah,
Medasi, Mohini, once again, Michia, for any woman here. But I'm say, mechanic say, on mine, Ghana, we have missed a very important opportunity, a very good opportunity to reconcile ourselves when it comes to say projects. I ever twice so near Badwam. I think the president should have done better. Because minim the mathematics I come and minim actual as a woman year near day and at the basis all the can say your year to be more expensive than the new one on Babisi. Finally, I have the document with me. It has not been approved by Parliament yet. Now here proposals near banner. We are assassinating yet Babaye at the end of percentage as a government. And what's our project in Munia? We have a problem. Say we have no even value land, no? And you see 40%, but we don't know the 40% now. You can put a finger on say figure way na 40%. Say be 2 million is equivalent to 40% of the. Buying the share no ni ade but the American say I'm so disappointed. They say no matter what and then anka aban ne ba here no enye adwin bi etachi say kenike wo ma di anim no say ye pe asem to wo so anka by this time anka yen nya segami ento no ma amanfo enko wiewia no ma na ewo mu sisi enti no saban si ontimi anabe more expensive. It is because the place has been neglected for a very long time, 6 years and counting. And then me sure say time will come we call no kana roofing system dey bobo dan so kana o man fa kututu nyina because as at the time as last year Works and Housing Committee no call hono na security cry ni hono. But you see, you Ghana sika. Whatever money I call busia bia, I call boy bia, whether obia bia, na so bia bi near the crown. Ghana government will pay for the cost of that we never want. And to me, my dream said, Mampenyi, he got it wrong. Menina and Kamin Kasa about this. All I'll tell Ghanaians is say, pay. Yebepe kwanya ye de be faso a ye benya so faso
but said no utie ni ya na utie sector minister and so small can say $200 million e the amount of 5,000 housing units. Out of that 5,000 units no what we 1,500 and no at various stages of completion. I know at various stages but 200 million no asa and no choose no aban tina se o hwehwe mu nyoma won be hia abeka ho amanati mabo ama hwa ya bia nipa betima adi djuma wonum no. It's over $100 million.
Listen to me very carefully.
It's buying his wisdom, no. It's to say, or the man now Ankra to take over the place. Every affordability scheme. That's why on the procuracy.
You see, let us not pretend say you need the course of Ghana. Now you see, your competencies near there. And yes, you get everything right. But you should be someone who say there's a lot of normal projections ni normal yeshisheno entimi enko how do you put it, cry?
Enkoso.
You need no be brave. Look, the American say I'm so disappointed. Say, Omanpenyi and take advantage. And from Bikish and from a sure Ghanaian say, and then Sabai we fiso. That's a buy over 2 a Jumabia, a buy be and I saw twice. Say, this project I will start almost over the 18 months never buy first phase. 18 months, no. I can assure you, say, by the time I won't be here, MPP never was. After the time MPP 18 months, no so. MPP need so. The second phase, if they will continue now, another government, and never to us. So they make an answer. Now, we share quotations. We share quotations. I only buy the cost of each facility now. Whether it's a single bedroom, a studio, whatever, everything your woman could see in dollars. We have a situation in this country. Debiano, CD, depreciate. Among 4 Akatuanzono, and idea, commensurate with the rate at which I see the depreciating. And it, Bibia ever can say affordable and then give ourselves 8-9 months. You will need more than 40% of even the middle income person, and son of the the labor laws, almost for to classify a facility as affordable, the ordinary worker should not use more than 40% of his salary as mortgage. Now we are sure says I did messy. And let's accept the fact. Who say, baby, you want. These are things that away anymore as we move along. Mijini said, you can go ahead and continue to prosecute whoever. I will say why you be but then they say because they're your property. Your property. Your property. And then why are we saying say what do you call it to be kukumo be a mayenkumo? Why are we saying that? Because when we say so would you be a co-prisoner? There's a tendency, the chances any panel bakwa kosisa. And I say, "Bia, mustati, what do you call it? The reason the person was charged with the murder, maybe a normal who say after all, and you know, after a while, so they make an and it is a who if you throw the baby away with the bath water, now, who loses? And it is a biano. Has got it all wrong. Now, Mijini said the motivation, is not because they cannot, but because what do you call it? To say, at the end of the year, did you want the Ombenya di Wahono Munya? Obe person be do let me go and start a new one. Now, me nyami cat near day. That is all. I am motivated this new project and nothing else.
There's a big difference between Saglimi and this new project.
Which one?
These are 4 or 5 private major contractors. Almost Patroche, almost Iron Ready, Rehoboth, Def Traco, State Housing, Frank Paul, and I think the 5th one, Merefi. These are major air construction firms. Are buying their oil NSA. Assassin was insurance, drainage, and all those things. And then a buying responsibility.
Yes.
Now, more Makademusi, and almost the start price at all from $20,000 upwards, depending on their own open. So, what I say. The other issues, I'm buying the audition there, saying, I buy the audition. Clearly, what machine?
No, you see, we have no
government accountable.
Ene yako katiso yako pa huntuma ejuma ye pese ye yemfa we have not ye value aban be ye a be ma aban be a certain percentage go. I mean just that valuation is not on board. Yeah. Parliament has not approved the whole project. But the person say the issue about Saglemi say be more expensive than this one. Now make actually say at the end of the day normal mitigating against Saglemi it's government there. Government buy na go say say this is state property. the individual now who are kissing say wako this car wako yes here ahwehwemu kwa unwie ye no na me decide me to death penalty no no say obi be kwako ye kwako di bone na e twa to no so wo di no wo court na say uye one to boase na mo ko sentence to death na ye kunu wie na wo ko hu the truth na.
And what do you think of it?
What I'm saying is that the damage that is being caused was aggressive, you know. At the end of the day, say you investigation omo ye no, omo wie ye no. Any court omo kono say ministers omo dey omo so an. Ye be the day. What are we going to do? Ye dey ta ejuma na ye ja wo hono na say sika na ye say wo hono no. Ye be dey na ye zaka. Say ga ye charge aban no for causing financial loss. Anameboa. Because what can I am away in our pro and a cosu and a security crane you want to do one man. Okay, so miracles. Abai should revisit the issue because we yet there a abai there. Sikana, one more see what do you call it? I didn't know. Yet there a bit and in term, and this is not the first time. Aveyime rice project no sana president Kufuor kwaya the fashion the same thing
e be say won $7.
No you see what
manage simple manage simple
omayini seriously yenyi politics in fiade mu na yenfa what Ghana corporate Ghana na yenfa investment yaye into those projects no o share the value of the investment no. Any the account was so for 6 years. You for say 6 years I buy way by and all this Sikano Eco saw Saglemase and Momu Via Anka Ujini say Anka rent crowd won't be you on Ukranobuno. I can bet you
Miracle Brim.
And then Mammy Cajero. Say Rebecca say a cantino. Yebeka say eka nti de ye be ye what do you call it sagleme ye de be ye sagleme no e doso anything no de sika ye de egum dada no ye nya mani pro. Is that what we are telling
okay that? So miracle
no that is not fair.
Why are we here?
And proper
the problem for government over the years and they say the approach to affordable housing has been wrong from day one.
Yeah.
And that was reflected in Saglem, no doubt about that. So, I'm buying Bosia $200 million at about my way, ANDC are buying. Say, Omodi BC a daya nebo air fu, na Ghana for to me at to be. $200 million, Omodi buy say, ABC dayan cram bakumako 5,000. Na Omodi ama Ghana for, ewo, etu 4 bo. Na Ghana for to be a biato. At the end of the day, $200 million na ye buy na etumi ewie dan no mu mako 600 per instead of 5,000 668 instead of 5,000 enti ura saglemi ho after say you spend $200 million ewie na ye ntumi enwie dan no saglemi ho no so kra enye ready send the paper den ebetinam. And I think so it's very important say you be put the way into proper perspective. Internet say after spending $200 million and putting up only 668 houses instead of 5,000, a buying sansu here $310 million. And so I'm to me making sure say saglemi no krano. E be to me a day e wie aton. Niam am yunu ne bem. Dedi kan. A buying ka $200 million na e ho ase o de for court in some no krato nchen. If akona ka say here ready. Drainage system, drainage say na yeko ho. So share videos no. Drainage system was not completed. Niam be to me ama ya ka say aha. Ni pe be to me atena no. E then the almost yes wo ye painting no colors ne ade. But who run dey ni mu a obehu say niam bebre na car. Ese say utumi nyansa ni pe to me atena mpotemo. Look at baby asagle me share. So ko se nipa ko tena na say o drainage system no mo sewage system ne ade en complete ya be na why den we use. Nti project no o ma wie $200 million no ashe e dan 5,000 o man to me nsi o mo 668 apart from that no saban ka say or Sankra Aquafis Kaba to a project, on here almost about $310 million. And no create no mind this. I won't say, Sabine the size cannot come one. Nipa do send a woman with mobile made a toffee. So to the cost of selling. The more my dear boy dinner, the more who prevent other ordinary Ghanaians from your targets to buy. And see, I buy to saglement you. I buy abundance aglamio. I buy say the bear yen sanko bob besia hundreds of millions of dollars and from Besha Saglemu. We are and which cramp on Ghana phone to me now, quiet yet and fast one. Yen per private sector for Bibi Druno, yen so ya kaya bebon ya baby. Near my private sector for Musica Mede and met what I know so no way. Am I said Kruma and then no can in Crawford to apartment $60,000, $100,000, $500,000 near
$7,000.
And the private sector should take up that responsibility. Omotonwa, I buy the kake will no the idea. Omo the amano. Now buying to me this kind of idea. I had the fulfro. What is happening in Pokuase is what government should have done in the past when it comes to affordable housing. And that is exactly what is happening. And now me no can say Pokuase dey no. I buy kwa jebu say if baby ayo. Aban kofa Ghana fosi came from Bibia so they be dying. Aban say ya pass ase. Ye nya asase na ma wo. Oman obetumi si dan krenkre be 100 abesi wo so. Ekwan ya be ko. Nsu e be ba ho. Ye be ye. Eno na ye aban ye contribution. So I just say after all say ye affordable housing yesi wo ho na oman me kra makosi mi dan na wo akosi wo dan ya. Aban be twa kwan ya dan aba ho. Aban de nsu be ye dan e be ba ho. Enti aban contributions are acquiring in suo akania ni nyina no ye fa ne say e don be amounted to about 40% of the cost of putting up that whole enclave no na mo hwe no so en fantete adan ne bo so ye den e magana phone to be because mo ana ka mo kosi mu dan wo ho Rehoboth from Paul Def Traco mo ana mo kosi mu dan wo ho e na mo amoye mo akwan ko ho mo amode makania ko ho mo amode mu nso ko ho anka mo de be ka dan ne ka no ho. Until we free mudia and say to me Buffett, and that is why they are able to sell these apartments for about 13,000. 30,000, about 160,000 Ghana cedis.
It's not 20,000 upwards.
No, it's here. No, it's here. Oh, Jumbo Tre, I'll give you. It's here. The whole thing, everything is here. Studio apartments, $13,800.
Okay, the studio apartments.
Yes, 1 bedroom, 20,700.
Yeah.
2 bedroom, 334,000. Saying affordable housing here, check me on my way mu. Enfa. And our back 3 bedroom house for 42,000. Where? In this case, even a cropon, it's on a show. Even in a cropon, share a cropon, Adanya is 3 bedroom is almost $150,000 US. $160,000 US. So this one there, now say teacher for any clerks, any public servants, or more cleaners, I didn't have to make around 50,000, 60,000, 70,000. It's 120,000, 200,000, 300,000 there. Then I afford to do na. At least you bet me your money if you move to me GB. And for me, that is what government should have done. So this Okasi for politics on 20 years, he's the one doing politics. This thing of bringing Saglemi in and all of that, it is needless because my Senka Saglemi no musi ni say ya. Se musi no say ya can ya. And my no kwen ko hieska. In the first place. Because the one that is happening now, government is not putting in money. Government is going there to execute our usual responsibility of providing infrastructure. With or without these developments, government would have extended road, government would have extended electricity, government would have extended water. Sometimes say adiano ya yen e ba ne se ne ma $200 million. Mo ko je bosia $200 million say mo di besi dan. Na mo di amagana for 5,000 units, mo see 5,000 units nyina. Eba ne say e na dan no esi odan na esi wona man so betimi atema akosire wen. Se mo to be trama ne ya, sanka mo de mancrofo ansa mo fi aban mu. If it was ready, we shouldn't do this to ourselves. Sometimes, like you said, we cannot always get things right. And if we get to the point where we face we should stop. Now, we now just $200 million. I will see who see dying or about ton to me a former Ghana for dying 5,000. We see just about 600 and something. 1 year drainage, 1 year sewage. We want to be near guts. As I'm the pointing fingers at the or no about to mess and say, or no, but no money is certain for causing financial loss. What are we doing to ourselves as a people? For me, what I think we should be doing is that, and it doesn't make sense for any government to pick money to build houses and say, ABC Dayaton in today's global economy. It makes no sense. Everybody knows that private-public partnership is what actually thrives. There are individuals who want to build. There are a lot of estate companies building. Go and see what Rehoboth is doing around the Ayi Mensa or Yarifa areas. Big, a friend is saying, developments. It costs them. There are things that government can do to reduce our cost for these people so that you and I can buy. That is the job of government. The one who is actually likely to embark on corruption is the one who wants to go and take money and say, I want to build myself. Not the one who says private sector should build. And we should stop this. NDC has no business, moral business, to even attempt to bring up the issue of Saglemi Omai. Because the government has not thrown Saglemi away. Abayin say, Yempa Krankre. No more for music and beshim because I'm buying to me confess BM and from Bambeshim. $200 million. Do you know how much it would have grown to today? That $200 million, do you know how much it would have grown to today? Which adds up to our debt stock, for which reason our debt is going skyrocketing. Do you know how much it would have grown to? Oh, it is sometimes here to your boss a kakra. I didn't do I had it. Oh, they are buying it's true. And Crash should go and get involved. But Okasa buying some confisca. Yes, I'm for my nisika. Yes, I'm from the US Aglemi. You are man phone to me in yes canto. And I enter the free. Okay, so I'm a can cross a yen from my soldier for. It is cheaper today to build same units for military people at a different location than to go and add money to Saglemi. It is cheaper. Am I $200 million? Oh, my pacho. Oh, my from No, let me land. Am I $200 million? See what I mean? We need an additional millions of dollars to go and continue. If I have that additional millions of dollars, it can build me same units in another location for the military people and the teachers and the nursing students.
You see, this government has no excuse. Woman, excuse, cry. Excuse. Listen, the point that you see, if you allow the thing, you expose the whole project, to theft, to whether it's an eyesore. Materials are not told you go. Woman Janina a guano, a confoy, woman, man for vandalizing the whole place. Boom, the place has been cannibalized by thieves. But the fact, no, $200
million, what are you doing?
Hold it. The American say, woman see dino, also a year habitable, even before we left, now Western housing has started a year allocation for the ones that women, maybe almost start here.
The camera,
what did the American almost start here? Now, if you go there, you see the camera no calls, it's because they left the place. The reason why they need more money now is because the place has been neglected for how many years now?
But that study was not just yesterday's study.
Oh, what are you talking about? No. Oh, no. Please. No, please.
The abattoir mountain as to what they need is not just yesterday's study.
And then you see the other issue, what is before the court? Well, it is in court. What is before the court? The agreement now, the thing was supposed to be in phases. And see first one, the same Sikano and the old
even with the faces.
That's even worse.
Okay.
Oh, please.
Even with the faces.
With what?
Even with the faces. If you look at the houses completed there and the amount that has been sunk in it.
$200 million.
Now, the amount, you see, the amount now, woman sinking into it, it includes what do you call it? Provision of a sewage system, road, electricity, water, and everything. Yes, I have seen it. Have you seen the document? No, it's not about being to the place.
He hasn't been to the place.
Have you seen the contract document?
Now, hold it.
It is kind of what say, no, sewage system, road, water, electricity.
There's no drainage.
Wait. Roads. Only defended. No, but there's a major lapse. You don't destroy. No, you don't destroy the project and then come.
When you use the word destroy,
allow the project to rot.
No,
you have allowed the place
because we can't go and add additional money.
No. That's not it.
So, idea back was say. And nay Ghana.
Yes.
Meaning is a Ben Bia Beba, whether MPP and this year. Such ujina edifice go kama saying obey abandoned for no reason.
Well, the argument as a Kupado
so
and he said,
the first question is that uji to me say yema NDC amanyu kuno and are buying 200 million Ghana
yes
dollars.
Yes.
Uji to me said that $200 million was supposedly to build 5,000.
No.
Okay, so 1,500. Is that
That's
correct?
right. Yes.
As of the time at the consumption of the year, 200 million coin. Not a dan krase anymore.
And I make a say project no a year revolving fund.
Oh,
please. You sell.
Don't do this.
And then you go, no, that's it.
$200 million for 600 houses.
What I'm saying? No, why?
$200 million at Saglem for 600 houses. All of you should be jailed.
Listen.
What are you talking about?
Other
as of the time,
projects.
$200 million nasa. Not dan krase na no maye.
668.
Why they can't say this canasa? Ansana, if you have. Oh no, please. But why they can't say this canasa?
That has been government's issue. There's no money. They can't trace to what
you come back. I mean, you come into government. There are projects that are ongoing. You allow the project to sink to such a level.
You are so missing.
When was the last time? Oh, please. No. What am I doing to myself? The first thing they come. No. When they came, the first thing was to haul those who were leading, fronting the thing to court. Without even visiting the place.
Oh, how?
Oh,
I am telling you.
What are you talking about?
I am telling you.
Sometimes
Please.
Honorable.
The first thing that was in contention was the fact that the project, the content has been varied. And they all caught
because wouldn't the $200 million
please.
5,000
amongst the two parties within the same party. Between E.T. Mensah and then
don't bring him. Don't bring that in.
I don't know. That is the truth.
But they make us say the issue is about
$200 million.
Whatever the level.
And I'm going to them. Go my teacher really. But I'm teacher my NDC for.
Well, Yasaba, in the next 8 minutes, you better wrap up near cross over to National Lotteries. Makacho say the game changer, game pack for Father Mamudia bro. And they either say Oshebre versus 9 o'clock here and at 12 midday, yes, by close of day 6, they were there. Oshebre and Sisa Precopa. Every day watching a year Badwam on Adom TV, no. Apart from say Uti and Koma Ekosu, we are seeing Ghana, no. Yes, I done a Shebre Sisa for. A game pack for the bro every day 9, 12, 6 na Oshebre S. Just let's keep hoping. I check around 9-5 no say Neoma Sisa baby na was what than Bearman Kasa that game pack for so I say because a miracle Bajuanum says I was no quality tell Adom City Estate for real estate 40 cow say 2-bedroom detached and semi-detached. 3-bedroom detached and semi-detached, and a 3-bedroom executive detached. No, or also a ton at the amount. Ose unya sika free 300,000 econo. Na unya kwenyet me esidai, almost sidai amount from a year efira. Therefore, Kania insured, therefore, acquiring community police station, and a year beyond Quadano Krabiku School, overseas in now Adom City for plans and it here. Fe bambo de 247 bibia na namna kwam kama edema make out be so say ene open one sas ni bia to abefre 0308250068 0308250068 and I say open omo community baby asa eh miamia we bi community 25 tema and afi mataeko and afi kaswa e rapport Bokliti yes the only rapport
normally they do so. From Bank of Ghana to fuel prices, but Nina borders on the economy and where this government has taken us. Now, Enra, you start to say discuss statement that Finance Minister by or Parliament. Now, I'm saying with the miracles, with the finance, I'm saying I'm for some tea. Baby, I do say no. Say finance minister, I can be say, oh, we need to build consensus. We need to come together because there were situation where you want and idea pleasant and all shoulders might be on the wheel and whatever. Now the name fan and Obibisa said that Benamu Sadi because once upon a time, no matter how society before the be before Ghana, more fun but you see a photo and Sakra Nipa this is sorry. You know, but the empress make sure Abayana say any spokespersons. If they want everybody on board, because in fact, we share a situation you won't say now. And the numbers, the fundamentals to borrow Baumia, the fundamentals, you know. And your targets. Yeah. Oh, na say or no kind, not the bio. The fundamentals. When the fundamentals are weak, the exchange rate will expose you. But when the exchange rate is exposing you there, and then it doesn't really mean say the fundamentals are weak. That is Baumia's theorem. But the embassy minister say all the projections that were done by this government, the targets, inflation, we're projecting 18%. They say, we ended up with 54. They say 42. We are projecting to end the year by, with an inflation rate of 38%. Our share revenue targets near Dinina form. What it means is that there's a lack of competencies. Oh, baby. Okay, we say now revenue measures on the body. Sorry, TI near day. Yes, sorry, TI because you will say me achieve the 1%. Now we're advising them and they didn't. Yeah, woman fat because and then we share taxes near the ban with the aba. We share Bosian woman bo bebrebe near the nyina any a juma woman the aye. Emma Ghana for your who tree and see no. And who be here say they will tone down because we share woman kasa emu a baby a edu say no enye mre a woman beba be tauti any bibi a woman aya ebroso because to say no we are not out of the woods cry and it is our woman now no kasa oh the economy has 10 what do you call it turning around normal stabilizing things are getting better say woman hasting slowly and now say woman praise woman because baby I do no enya most starting kasa any strikes no man never cause because if you are telling us that things are getting better then the workers would also rise up say woman pay better remuneration what friend saying school feeding for yet me to ka ni ade nyina nso be sorry but the fact is that let's accept yen tum say na o kan usi saglemi yen tum say something went wrong let's accept the fact say bia normal yesusu ye no ni de ye and baby aye fa so no any bosia dodo a if your problem na kasa e bosia dodo a yaje we went are borrowing too much the very thing I criticize here under His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ya baba ya manabuso akoye se uye adwuma ne etu aka 10 cedis na wachi busia udi 9 cedis ana 9.9 etu asa busia no
okay
you become the most ubi bia be ye basa eno na ama ye bibia basa ama to the extent say eneno
okay thank you
we
are crossing over for a live feed we cannot continue again
we are crossing over but the point is that we able to end this for no they feel same baby we should be in darkness and gloom my finance minister more kind say
maybe cross over.
Oh, but how would you do this
from the national lotteries? Me that's payment.
Oh, but apologize to me and I
apologize to you.
No, because me too as you. Oh, there be on my apologize. So when you invite me on a panel,
Adom TV Badwam eso na yeda omahene kwabena sante ase ne yedu so no ma yemfa yedwe tonde nkrato yi entomo anim na before then no na happy birthday enko emma Mr. Na birthday no afai Mr. Joy Jampo. Happy birthday call ma Mr. Joy Jampo. Yankopon show nyamenye okese o ma sunfra adum nkwadum we efri eye Alfred a wo multimedia ha na wode ma Mr. Joy Jampo nyamenye okese kusise obeye kese pa Grace Gift Herbal Clinic so eni na wono mo ebo adwuma pa wa pomodimu ensam nyarwa hodo ya wo muntumi enye eye sebi obi a na so asie kwata ewo so anasa wani enhunu ade no na Grace Gift Herbal Clinic for into me enye we sanema enan anam yense maboso ade free hodia yare bia hawo no for the Grace Gift Herbal Clinic na wo mo show ma hunto kumase one more ewo ohwim school junction barekese kwantempon so akran so wo mo wo new achimota petroleum and family life international school no and share animum Grace Gift Herbal Clinic for 0244 126 123 0244 126 123 and 0246 518 003 0246 518 003 now only Grace Gift Herbal Clinic in Penny 4 Eddie enkomo yare bie hawo no for wani Grace Gift Herbal Clinic na one more show Emma uhu ento Game Park Limited and so any na opese we your the 4 a wo fa kwampa so na wa your the 4 na usika samu na meche bibia tumi akoyie no leave it set akunsa hodo ya yenim wo ya na ene hwan na mula no ewo no ho se mula ewo mu a wo tumi abusia hia ye fro usika ne sa won samu na wa bibia ye bia wo ye fro won ti so opese won so abusia hu na ni die no buo bia ye tumi de amount ya ene fa ho join ne mula da onso ko wanim ti draws no ya na eba no nkono dumienu no nsia e wa Adom TV said the ball no nkono uhu bi e wa ha no de wo hia ne se wa fa phone na wo tablet or computer download the Game Park no e wo Play Store na afei de wo hia ne se u betwa na ne o we ne o sika na ekura onsam yi ye ka Game Park for no wo ni se so omo ebo humodin ye pa Game Park games more mola, more power. Na Sajumedi National Lottery Authority in Penny 4 and one more aka one more day eba. Wunya if you do me no a Mr. and found who share Game Park and she ya el cosway. Na o tonswa play it responsibly. I'm winning a ho and just I near a dio. You could do ama because it will be a muna dear baby beer or twa no atwa ama when you are the Dominion Herbal Powder nsuni eno na ebusi immune system no edemaye opese asrafo woni padua mu immune system na ye dingyina na so ye paade a de wo hia Dominion Herbal Powder wononum bia ebo yi yare krankro bia free ni padua mu emaw anopa first na obeya nsan na wadidie de wo hia ye nso hye enye de ye hye paade de no asabia gum na wanom enwumre nso sa before obedidie no nom Dominion Herbal Powder no ebi nentumi emuaw sanso ene ye Dominion Herbal Ointment wo ho nhuna mututu kotodwe waposo etwetwe pa oba bia ye oye bia no wonya Dominion Herbal Ointment ni bi na odi twetwe so a ahoden asa ba biem Fred Dominion 40543 158195 020543158 195 and 0249591843 0249591843 na wone Dominion 4 akasa enkan ha ubenya Dominion Herbal Powder ne ointment ni bi nso e wo Repart Ventures na Boache Herbals Angels Herbal Shops ubenya bi Ashaiman so Ekus Pharmacy Tamanso Little George Health Shop Koforidua Gapsen Pharmacy Delight Pharmacy or Hinena Heba, Usko B, I Central Market a share mu benya bi. Tony K Pharmacy wo so mu benya bi. Nanaya Provision Store ne Kennedy Drug Store so achimo dan bi wo ho. Na Giza Pharmacy wo so menya ebi wo ho. Wana enya mfie dumienu ba form Mr. Dominion powder ne ointment no menfebi. Oba wonye mana abofra no mo no fonso menfebi na entumi emwa. Snate mpanifo guso e kaikai yesa yen snate ntinto ho no enye de oya abadwuma ana oya nkrankra adwuma bi seye nemom wa wankasa nso ye wadwuma sa we ye taxi driver ni we ye trotro we ye mason carpenter baba makeup artist designers mates obia pragia ye twi pragia nom ne ade abobo ye mesrew snate kaiwo ene ho odin o ye adwuma sika no nya pa se wudi wonum na ode ye niema bi de bia kra wanya kra 5 cd fato sa na bosome unya ni nyina na de akoma snate for say eye we seed or sign it up with the seed now the say sika na to ho wo de ehwe bo wani tetehwe say wudi no kra ma ho ana wutua 50 years 60 years a ho de ni ho say de na wo ho de no sa sika no ebebo ho ban ti won koye bed ne koto woma so anase wabusuafo so anase afe na wo sresre nom ni ade nti mesre sika na eba wonsem kakre bia ubenya bia no fa bi to ho na fa command for na omunsie emfa mawo nti umpeni fie so sa sika no na odi bedi djuma first net for 0302 611622 0302611622 upese utua wo contribution so dial *711*9# *711*9# now so to me etria usika afa ho Piwak Natural Health a 3p garlic mixture no mo dia be 100% garlic and a wo mo dia ye Piwak 3p garlic mixture no enti de wo hia ene se obanum bie natumi aboa kum nyarwa hodo woni padua ni mu boost immune system ne ma oba obu nsa na wonya pain wase wonum 3p garlic mixture no ebrana se oba se moja broso ewo so wota aka se onsa ye titriti ye hwa ade mu kura wonte eje ehye kura wonte Mr. Onum 3p garlic mixture ni bi na sa ya how no emfi asthma wo so stroke ana stress impo ene hawadwe de wo hia 3p edro nubina ubetumi anom 3p garlic mixture hwehwe bi wo kanshi Kofi Sam ene Kings Walk Kumase Danny Herba ene Colinak bi wo hoho Abet Sam Herba Mensa water kwade na Green Light Pharmacy wo sunwane Piwak Natural Health was 0248 928 824 0248 928 824 and 0201 000 0201 000 Shannon so Piwak edro no 3p garlic mixture edro no eye ewoto akoko mu box no so garlic no rough and smooth nti ya Shannon so efamaye na entumi emwa Franco Trading Enterprise phones so papa fie ene ho Mr. Ope phone papa laptops papa TV fridges bibia Franco Trading Enterprise for ewobi your Nokia Samsung iPhone smart TVs range from a year 32 to 55 inches and afi Franco air conditions and so your 1.5 adequacy 2.5 your CCTV cameras and so ewo ho a ubenya bidia bobe bia wode monitor niema download the Franco Trading app on our Play Store and our phrase 0246 422338 0246 422338 and 0555 939311 0555 939351 Franco Trading Enterprise phones papa efie ene ho aha na brema kwan na ye ndwato de enkrato no ye de esie medi efia amankwa tamakulu ye da team ni nyina ase wa wo hwe ye da wose aha ene ye de sie ye besa to so ochina nyame eyadoma nyina medawasio masaba wo hodontia medase pa ma memfa wo mfamu tew fama na yento so ewo ho na Ecobank Joy News Habitat Fair no baso nyame eye Adom efiada we ya de kwesi ne kwesi da se ya first clinic na wie wa chimota mo na efiada we edikosi ne kwasiada no ye West Hills Mall enti obi ansha no so anopa 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. na this year no botaye no nyina edni da kwan se wankasa nso benya ufie wani da kwan se obesi ufie papa bi upe hu nimde nsa ase hu mansohwe nom ne ade wo mpesa asem ne bi atie na wo pe quality product obetumi di ahya wo dan mu ama wo dan na nyina ye kama ye fefefe dia ene ne wo se wo hia ye ewo Ecobank Joy News Habitat Fair ye de bro efiada we ne yahya ase enkosi kwasiada ewo West Hills Mall ya atomota de no awie nti West Hills Mall de na to so de ama bibia opese ohunu wonsa ase ho question bia opese ohunu wa dansie ho enimdifo ni nyina beba wo mo eton sa ne mani nyina nso bi ebeba nti wo de no wahya ase dada no problem wo hia ne ma bi ese de keka ho ma ne wie mu di yenhia ewo Ecobank Joy News Habitat Fair no ase na yanyesa nimde no wonso afei ene wani da kwan so wo pass ase na wo pefia to yenhia wo ho na ene mpanifo atitu ni nyina eni enkomo dwumadien Yani Ecobank na kan abomo Ecobank Pan African Bank and a Plan City Extension Project and I know so yade Brahma Elegant Home and General Construction Limited adaroma womo kan ho bi Global Lighting for eka ho Syntex Tanks eka ho Gold Key Properties and so eka ho and a Springfield Estate 4 and so eka ho bi womo adaroma and Ecobank Joy News Habitat Fair 2023 a second edition or baso efiada 4th August dikosi kwasiada 6th August West Hills Mall a year and crying ha enti bra na also fa ho ehyemo ebi aha na ye de bedroom dwumadie no nyina esie yada mo ase papa ochena ade pache ye na nkwa hodin kraye na ye besa hia